Let me give you a whole tour of our app because we have probably over 100 hours of content across every AI business. AI, business, and marketing is the top three categories in here. And on the left hand side, all the action is happening in the forums. This is where we're posting new updates of like, mostly I post updates of things I find important. So I'm like the museum curator. So here, this was the weekend workshop that we did on Saturday. So you can get the replay, and then I always attach the PDF books, which if you click on, you get the PDF book. So this was Saturday. So all of the resources, and then members like and comment. And then I have a ton. This is like, check this out. This is terrifying. She's not talking. The AI is talking. She's not. I've seen this before. Isn't that freaky? I've seen live streamers and notice when they go and sip or drink something or the mic moves towards their mouth, the AI will glitch over the microphone. And I'm like, they're notorious on like Chinese singing ones. Like if you ever seen those like Chinese karaoke ones and they have beautiful voices, they're not actually singing. Yeah. See, this is what we keep you up to date with AI. That's why I show the most cutting edge uses of AI. Then down we have the calendar, but under the calendar I am under for me, as you can see, I am updating the calendar because AI changes so fast. Like the stuff I plan out could be obsolete in a week. So that's why I have to plan out like a week ahead to see like what's important that my community needs to know about. But I mean, you can see we have vibe coding events, we have office hours, we have events 4 days out of the week: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So you could come and network with members and then go ham on the content. Here's everything Claude. We give away like templates, we give away full PDF guys. So this is and then everything that we learn, I put in structured, like a structured curriculum. So you can literally start from the top as a beginner and go all the way through, and then you'll know exactly everything to get caught up basically. And then we have a ton of free goodies in here. Like this one's, I really like this one. Let me see. Let's go to edit. This is an AI dev team in a box. And so what it does, Nana Banana, it is a zip file with a folder structure that you give to any vibe coding project. You get a scrum master that plans sprints, a QA engineer, a security engineer, a DevOps engineer, a Git reference. So in 2 minutes, you literally get a little dev team in a box. And then you put this on any projects that you're vibe coding, for example, and it goes through like all the stuff, what you need. So this is just one of, we have hundreds of crazy stuff in here. Let's see, what's up, B? Coding with AI is not a skill. I digress, good sir. I digress. If coding with AI is not a skill, then I would not be selling enterprise software right now. Where's Cam? Cam, am I working with Cam? Oh, Cam's over here. I was working with. So like I have this is way outside my skill set. This is a full there's 11 APIs in here. This manages an entire marketing department, like building clothes and stuff, just so that I could create my own, where is it? Clone factory. Like now I have a clone factory. I could clone any person whenever I want without going to like websites. So like this is way outside my skill set. So that's where I'm like, coding with AI, good sir, is definitely a skill because it's already bringing in a new revenue stream. Like the wild thing is like we've brought in like SaaS and service because the software becomes a service as well too, is already a revenue stream that didn't exist this year. Like I vibe coded all the last 6 months, and now I have tools and workflows where I could take on websites and get websites done in 4 hours. I can build I could, well, right now I'm going department by department inside companies, and I'm basically automating the workflow because you're eventually every business is going to employ a consultant, an AI automation consultant to come in and look at their team's workflow and be able to 10x their output without having to hire any additional employees. And it's usually going to become from like vibe coding and teaching that. So they will like upskill internally, like I'm hoping, like Claude. But on the other side, not mad at you, mad at Microsoft for ruining the field. I know, like Microsoft, it's like, did you guys see my Microsoft video? My N8N video triggers so much. That is a video that hits a very sensitive spot when I'm like, N8N is obsolete and there's no need once you learn how to vibe code. I love that for trolling. It triggers like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. But anyways, this is like the craziest stuff. Hey, by the way, let's give everyone a free gift since everyone's here. Well, if we get to 10,000 likes, I'll give you guys a free book because we got some brand new people here. But yeah, I'm just showing Java, all the different things. We have social media scheduling bot. What is this? Oh, so this is a full app that does, I don't know, some social media, some video automation. And then it's a full file. Like that's the crazy thing is we're just giving away we're giving away full applications, which is like wild. I learned on NAN. I'm glad I know it's supposed to work. You'll translate all your NAN workflows into Claude projects, and they will go explode on complexity, and they'll do everything that you want, and it becomes so easy. It's probably a great thing. You just export the JSON and give it to Claude Code. Just give it to him in VS Code, and then you're good. And then if you want like super basics, I took the level 1, level 2, level 3. This one, how do you get the social media? So technically it's in the community. And I technically have, so technically I also have, let me show this for a second. I technically have Opus Clip too. If you guys want an Opus Clip clone and you don't want to pay for the Opus Clip tax because it's super expensive, but you record long form content and you want to clip your content, I'll give that away in the community. That would be a good one. Because Opus Clip is actually really good. But here's the thing. The main thing is I want you guys to learn to vibe code. That's the main thing. I need you guys to learn to vibe code. Like that's one of the main thing. Is NAN good to learn? NAN is completely irrelevant to learn. Completely irrelevant to learn. I know a lot of people are like, but you should keep it forbidden. Nah. Unless it's like even basic automations, I just go build it in Zapier, honestly. It's just faster. Because like anything complex, and even not even complex, intermediate is going to, explain please. So with NAN or any no-code tool, everything is drag and drop. Everything is manual labor. If I want to do a no-code website building tool, manual labor. WordPress, drag and drop, manual labor. In Claude, there's always like in the evolution of automations, you start with prompts, then custom GPTs, then workflow automation tools, which is your no-code tools, that's your Zapier, Make.com, NAN. Then you ascend to that, which is basically code. Code fixes all. Code solves all. Code makes no-code tools irrelevant because it's code. And then you don't have to learn programming. So that's why Claude Code is the #1 tool. There is no other vibe coding tool that you need to learn. And it's basically so good that you work with him, go deep with it. You're going to get on the $100 plan for Claude. And you're going to take all of your vibe coded or take all of your NAN workflows, and then you're going to give them to Claude. And then Claude's going to turn them into full applications. And then you're going to unlock a revenue stream where now you're selling SaaS, micro SaaS, and SaaS as a service. And it unlocks a whole new revenue stream because you now have a competitive advantage because you can now personalize software. It's a very small window of time that you all have to capitalize on micro SaaS right now before it gets saturated. I'm just starting out. What should I learn? Join the academy. In the academy, we have 30 courses, live classes on everything. We actually have like a full end-to-end, like entire expert course on it. We've already covered that. That's like, if you want to go deep in end-to-end, that goes like the most advanced with like workflows, pipelines, webhooks. Like you've maxed it out. Then on the other side is just come learn Claude Code. That's all I'm pushing is Claude Code. I'm like, that's all I want to push. Like, that's like the number one tool that you guys need to learn like 6 months ago is like a thing. Mr. K says, I'm on the website to learn. Do I just sign up for the free trial and get the 7-day? Yes, join the 7-day free trial. That's the free trial to my academy. I'll give you a private tour. And it has everything, 30 courses on everything, but really is the calendar, which I'm updating. Every Tuesday through Friday, we have 4 live classes, actually 3 live classes every single week. And then Friday is like office hour session, networking. You actually network with members because we have members that are all technical or also have networking. Some members they're in some field, and then the other members are like very technical. So they pass deals between each other. Like one member came to me and they can't vibe code websites, but they have a client that wants a website. So we partnered together, went split on a deal. I build the website, vibe code. She brought the deal. Done. So then now we're opening up. So like vibe coding has actually unlocked more revenue and more opportunity for a business. Not just time saving and like building a vibe coding app. That's great and all, but the skill set alone will literally transform your life and business. And I feel it's so mandatory and imperative to learn it that I'm like, that's why I'm teaching it. We're in week 2 of the Vibe Code one. So this Saturday we're having a workshop too. But highly recommend just join the community of the academy. We have all the training in order. Am I able to code a content app that goes into Google search and sees what's trending and creates a post? My good sir, University Magazine. I have the full content automation that will do all of that and more and generate an avatar and generate like you want to automate all of content. I must introduce you to Cam. Cam doesn't do the trending and search. That's a new feature that we've that's a feature that we only give in VIP, and very few people are in VIP because we have a trend app that goes and finds trends for your industries and gives it to your content generator, because then Cam automates your content. It's so wild. It is like we are literally automating the entire business. Like we're literally the whole business. What's up, Alfredo? You on YT? You're on the YouTube? We're just hanging out. So NAN is passed. My good sir, user. Yes, you want to stop playing. You want to cancel your NAN account right now. I know a lot of people are like, but I've got so many complicated workflows and they're so complicated and so I put so much effort into it. And I know I was pissed the second I lost to a vibe coder. I'm like, so I ran a contest of how to automate content, full end-to-end content. I want to automate the whole department. So I ran a contest, $1,500. I lost. I am so competitive. I wasted my vacation time wasting with NAN, dealing with stupid bugs and limitations, and I lost to a vibe coder who coded it the week before. And then I was like, I don't like losing. I want to learn all about this vibe coding thing because he made a very nice app and built dashboard, user interface, little bar, progress bar that was like loady. It was gangster. Warren deservedly won. If you guys know Warren in the community, shout out to Warren. He won and deserved that. I was like, but everyone else, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th place, all used NAN. We all lost, which is wild. Tell us about Jarvis and what he's done so far. So we've hooked up. Java's going through all the archives because not to like toot our horn kind of thing. Jarvis, let's go. I have a Cloud bot that is a community manager that is secretly managing the community administrative tasks behind the scenes, and I have not told members. If you're a member, sorry, it's not like a secret or anything. It's our turn. I'm still because there's so much testing before so OpenClaw integrates with anything that you want. OpenClaw is a personal AI assistant, AI executive assistant, basically. You can put them anywhere. I just literally, you can literally go to openclaw.com right now. Like it's so easy. And then I recommend VS Code and Claude, create a folder for OpenClaw, and then go to OpenClaw and just get the URL and just say run, download program and run. And he'll go through the setup and just run it in terminal. You have to run it in terminal. See, this is where there's like levels to like the vibe coding game, even like for me. We all start in the Claude for the browser, right? So Claude from the browser, we're moving from Claude browser to CoWork, which is Claude on the desktop. And then Claude on the desktop, that's for people that are like, I'm not in terminal, I'm not a vibe coder, but I still want to use Claude to do all my documents and write documents or presentations. That's CoWork, that's great. The next level up is what I teach, VS Code and Claude. And that's how you can get vibe coding as just the effect as a developer, but without learning the next level, which is the highest level, which is interacting with Claude through terminal. And terminal has way more superpowers with Claude. Now, all of that is separate from OpenClaw. OpenClaw is its own custom software that can run on any device. It's so small and lightweight. You could run it on any laptop that's like super old because the large language model is not on the computer. It's just sending API calls to the server. And as of today, you're coming in at a good time. You can connect. I recommend Claude. Just get Claude and hook him up to OpenClaw, and he works, and he's amazing. That's why everyone is raving about. But then you're going to go down the cheaper route. You're going to go to a Kimi. You're going to go to an Olama. There's other models to run OpenClaw if you're conscious around burning a lot of API tokens. You will, when you experiment with these things, because you're experimenting. This is cutting edge. There's no right way. There's no wrong way. Everyone's using it for different places. Everyone's Clawbot is a different snowflake if you think about it. Like they're all snowflakes. They're all truly unique. And so the unique thing about OpenClaw is that it is a personal assistant, executive assistant, virtual assistant. Any of those roles that are fulfilled by a human being are no longer relevant. I'll say that again. Virtual assistant, VAs, executive assistants, and personal assistants, gone. That's what CloudBot sells the opportunity. Is the technology there yet? Not yet. We're still like 2 years away from that like crush, like will outperform 100 like human VAs basically is like the crazy thing. Kimi 2.5 is awesome. You could hook them up to the brain. So I hooked up, my brother's a software developer, way smarter than me. I'm just a vibe coder. He introduced me to how to set up OpenClaw. We did a workshop in the community about that. And when I hooked it up on February 15th was when we first did it. I said, hey, OpenClaw, I named my OpenClaw Jarvis. And I say, hey Jarvis, can you create a post in the community and introduce yourself? I did this from my phone. I should say, like, I literally got out my phone on WhatsApp and said, hey, Claude, connect to Circle. And he was like, oh, okay, let me go figure it out. He go, boop, 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 boop. He figured out a connection on his own. You don't touch your computer with OpenClaw. That's the thing. With OpenClaw, you don't touch your computer. The rule is you're away from your computer. That's what OpenClaw opens up to. And you can still work as effectively as you are on the computer. You can see my crazy studio. Look at that dedication. That's why OpenClaw is so significant. You're mobile. What's up, Jay? So then I told him, just from my phone, first thing I was like, connect to my Circle. He's like, okay, done. I was like, oh shit. I didn't believe him. I was like, what do you mean done? I said, create a post, prove it, and introduce yourself, and tell people what you do. And what he did on February 15th, Jarvis, Hi, I'm Jarvis, an AI assistant that Jonathan used using OpenClaw to manage his working life. I'm not a chatbot sitting in a browser. I'm a fully autonomous agent running on his Mac, connected to his real tools. What can I do? I can read and send emails. I'm connected to his Gmail. I can manage his calendar, all events, ads, remove all that. He knows everything about that's in my Google Drive. He can, so all my tasks, you're going to have some task manager, Todoist, there's Things 3, there's TickTick, there's Notion, there's Asana, there's Trello, there's ClickUp, whatever. Pick whatever your to-do list is and connect that to OpenClaw so that he knows how to update your to-do list, because that's what he's doing. You shouldn't have to check your email. You shouldn't have to manually update your to-do list. You shouldn't have to manually update your calendar too. Those are all now delegated to your agent to manage for you. You should not do data entry is the main thing that he frees you up from. Remember, you're not tied to your computer with OpenClaw. That's the significant. He's what the AI agent, when people are like, oh my God, an AI agent that actually could do work and you don't have to delegate. That's what it is. Does that need to be said? I would recommend setting up locally. I mean, I'd recommend. There's a lot of different ways to like get started with it. The easiest is like just in VS Code, go to OpenClaw, and then you'll connect it to WhatsApp, and then connect your tools, and then from there just start talking. So technically, I can have technically OpenClaw or my open. So every OpenClaw will be a little unique. So my OpenClaw basically can go in and do community management and respond to emails, troubleshoot, all sorts of stuff. And so I think I'm ready to. Okay, can you restart the server and am I ready to test? And then while I'm talking, sharing to you guys, Claude code, just regular Claude code, is vibe coding on the side. So he's building new features to my content automation app. It's a very exciting time. Like very, very exciting time. Monty's like, how do you connect to TickTick? TickTick has, so when you talk to OpenClaw or any Clawbot or OpenClaw or just vibe coding in general, for example, you want to ask for one of three things to connect. Ideally would be an API, direct connection, login, secure. The next would probably be a web, MCP is one way. And then lastly is a CLI, command line interface. Asking Clawbot, OpenClaw, to say, go find me a CLI connection to Circle, to TickTick, to whatever your app is that you use. He will go find and actually go and just build it for you. Like you remember, you're doing this from your phone. Like you're not touching the computer. You're doing this all from your phone because you can be out and about, you could be out on a hike and all do this work all from your phone. That's why OpenClaw is so significant. Is like he's a true AI personal assistant that connects to all your personal tools, your work tools, your personal tools, and then from there, he does your work. He does your administrative work, your data entry in, data entry out, logging, updating tasks that you're probably not doing. I need to see in action. Okay. Well, no, I can't, because I have Claude Code and he's coding right now. If he wasn't coding right now and I didn't have a project for a client right now, I would show the, okay, wait. Actually, yes, you can see it in action. Here is the class recordings. Under the class recording, there is a, where did we do OpenClaw? Oh, there it is. OpenClaw set up in demo 4 days ago. This was 4 days ago in our life. This is why you want to join the academy, because this was 4 days ago. We did a whole workshop, and I'll probably just kick it to. Oh, there it is. How you interact. Here's a demo of OpenClaw on my computer. This is a pre-recorded from a class. What's on my calendar for today? So I'm
So
doing
you
voice
could talk with them,
commands.
basically like a chat back and forth. But that's not what you're
I have a
using.
free trial
The
to my
rule is
academy,
you're not
but it's
chatting from here.
$97 after.
That's really what you're not doing. You're actually
He's reading my
chatting from your
calendar.
WhatsApp. That's what you should start to step
Okay,
away
hold
from.
on.
Once this is all set up,
Wait for John to
now
scroll
you
down.
go
Sorry.
to, let's see,
You can
WhatsApp.
make him speak. Oh yeah. You can make
And you're
him
just
speak
gonna
any.
talk to your, I mean, that sounds crazy.
Come on, John.
Like I do it all day. You're just gonna talk to yourself. Literally, you're gonna start a chat with yourself. It's you. It's you. I
Hold
know
on
it's
one
like the
moment.
smallest thing.
I'm waiting
I'm gonna
for the cool.
say,
There's a wait for it. Wait for
open
it.
my browser and go to Circle and create a post that talks about the
OpenClaw.
capabilities of what you could do for OpenClaw, and then also make sure you post in an HTML format. So voice to text. I just talked to it,
Okay.
just text. I just
Give it a moment.
posted it.
This is a pre-recording for my class that I
Theoretically,
taught
you
it.
should see it here, if I'm not
Okay,
mistaken.
there he goes.
Oh, there it is. That's the magic. That's the magic right there.
So he's gonna open
Wait,
Circle, log
Okay,
into
cool.
my Circle account, and
So,
post to the community in real time. And I'm
did
not
you?
touching the computer in any way.
Browser relay is connected. Open browser, OpenClaw, open it right now. Once you open a tab and let me know. No, go ahead and open it. Wait. Open. Do you have the connection for
I'm just gonna fast forward.
on that browser? And then
Okay, here we go.
integration and
Okay,
do
hold
the
on, hold on,
zap.
hold
You
on.
just don't have memory.
Okay, here we go.
And he will ask you to log in. You still have session keys
Okay,
on
hold
that
on.
browser. So he could log in again without you logging in.
If he's
or
like,
that could be
see
a
how
security
he's
thing
like,
that you
that's
want to
him
also
thinking.
log out from there.
See how
so
he's
that he
like
doesn't
buzzing or
continue to
like
have access to
glowing?
it. Here we go.
Glowing is he's working.
So
He's working behind the scenes right now. Just be patient.
let me grab spaces.
There he is.
Oh, publish. Oh,
He
that's
posted.
okay.
So he went to the community
So,
and posted. I know you see a lot of like
oh
crazy gibberish.
boy, let me go to this link.
Jarvis wrote all that and
That
posted
is
it.
posted just now.
OpenClaw did.
I did not log in. I did not make the connection. I did not set up the integration and do the
See, that's
Zapier
February
connection,
19th.
set
That
it
was the
all
one I
up.
showed
I
you.
didn't tell him how. I technically told him CLI, like that's a low cheat code.
He
but you
wrote
don't have
and
to be
posted
like
all
that.
that. So I told him to log into Circle and create a post so he knows where to go in. I didn't tell him a connection. I didn't tell him any of that. So that's where it's like OpenClaw is your executive assistant. It is your assistant to help you with all of your administrative tools that you use for your email, your task manager, and all of the nuanced tools. I mean, it's really personalized. That's where the magic is. You're really personalizing it so that it can basically do a lot of it's basically will alleviate 20% of your administrative costs. So with the cost, the thing is you're going to be one on your Claude subscription. That's one of the biggest things. And then two is you're going to budget everyone here to get into like this, like when you get into like vibe coding, you're going to have an API budget. You're going to have a budget for API costs for these services. So it's just going to be part of your budget. I mean, it always just depends like how much like how much you're using him, because he's on all day. Cloud is not cheap. And if you're on the subscription, it's nice. But there's other models to make them cheaper, Kimmy, but you don't get the same effect. There's like Olama, he's free, but he's slow, but he's free. So it just depends on, and then you want to practice with him because it's going to change everything. I drank the Kool-Aid. Does it always have to say it's AI typing your pro? Oh, you can customize it any way that you want. And then I think you had a question. How much? So budget $200 a month. That's going to be a stretch. That's a lot to like burn an API cost, but that's if you could stomach $200, then it's gonna be less, and you're gonna be like, okay, whatever. Like, because you're gonna have like my API costs are like $500 in just APIs. That's not subscriptions. That's just APIs. because I have like my entire marketing department, which is just agents. All the agents are running on APIs. They're doing the research, they're doing the content writing, they're doing the avatars. Like, look, it's running in the background right now. Like, I have, this is Cam. Cam has AI agents that pretty much is automating my content. I say that to like rip off the band-aid kind of thing. Like if I told myself like $500 in API cost, that sounds outrageous. But if I look at the trade-off, what I'm able to do now, like let's say for example, um, I would manually post 3 posts every single day, and that would take 8 hours of my life in like every week. Now I'm able to post 10 times a day across all social media platforms and actually work 1 hour instead of 8 hours. So it's leverage. It's AI, and it's more vibe coding. And these AI tools, you're building tools to give you more leverage to amplify your output. So now I'm one man that my small company is basically an AI agentic company. I have no need for a video editor. I have no need for a social media manager. I have no need for a videographer. I have no need for a model for it. Like I have Cam that will pump out content at $5 a video on autopilot, and I could change any avatar, any location. And in 2 weeks, we're gonna get Dance 2.0. So I'm gonna hook up Dance 2.0 to Cam, and now my B-roll is B-roll from Hollywood. So like that, so I'm happy to spend $500 because I make more money from leads that I get. Because the $500 means I'm posting 10 times a day, which means I'm getting more attention, which is driving more traffic to my checkout page, signing up to my lead magnets and stuff. So that means I'm making more in daily sales. Like I 3x my daily sales. Like I can't wait to see if you like nerd out on this stuff. Join the academy. I recommend everyone. Is join the academy. There's a free 7-day trial. You even get the one-on-one during the free 7-day trial if you really want to just like need AI help. Like that's there. Then once you join, if you want to stay, it's $97 a month. But that's one way to get access to my world so that you're staying up to date with me. So is that $500? That's just APIs. That's just like agents. Like I have an entire marketing team of agents that are just they're burning $500 a month, but what that $500 a month means is I'm able to output what would take like $5 to $10,000 from a marketing agency. So I could go from posting 3 times a day to posting 10 times a day. So now I'm posting 300 videos a month versus my competitors for only $500, and I don't have to get on camera. I don't have to read scripts. I don't have to research topics. I press 4 buttons, and the agent in the app that's vibe coded using Claude. It started off as an end-to-end workflow and then went into, so take all your end-to-end workflows and move them into Claude Code. And from there, they will 10x as far as automation. You'll get front end, back end, full applications. Now you're pressing buttons, and then you're selling SaaS. You build a tool. Now I'm selling SaaS. I'm selling Cam as a service. So clients come to me and they're like, John, can I get like a couple? Can you clone my CEO? Because my CEO is so busy. And can you get her to say these like 30 script or these 12 script videos? Can you get that done and automate that whole process? So crazy. It's like, and so we'll clone, actually speaking of which, yeah, let me say, yep, that looks good. And then, okay, so it's going to start the process right now. So in about 8 minutes, we'll get an avatar video. Let me show you what kind of it looks like when it comes out of the oven. It will look something like, yeah, something like this. So this comes out of the oven in like 10 minutes.
Well, okay, welcome to Module 1, the Business Partner Commitment. In this module, you'll understand what it truly means to become a certified People Work Business Partner. This isn't about checking a box or attending a one-day seminar. It's about making a real commitment to yourself, to People Work, and to the customers you'll serve. You'll learn the program structure, including our hybrid learning model that combines self-paced study with live coaching sessions. We'll walk you through
So we never needed her to get on camera. We never needed her to train the model. We never needed her to clone her voice. And she's going to pump out 300 videos a month and never get on camera ever again. And she's going to crush her competition. Isn't that crazy? And each video costs like $5 to make. Like, so you can capitalize on any trend. And that's Cam. Cam does like crazy stuff of like, Cam does avatars, it does UCG, it will do all your avatar content, and then it also does all your organic content, which I'll show in a moment. So Cam replaces your entire marketing department. There's like 12 APIs in here that's all every marketing team needs is just 12. Like, it's so sad. Your entire marketing team could be replaced by 12 APIs. That's terrifying. That's a whole department, which is like, holy jeez. Ooh, what does vibe coding really mean? I love that. Welcome. Great to meet everyone. I'm Jonathan Cunha, Dr. AI. I teach vibe coding. I want to invite you to my Saturday workshop where I'm going to teach you how to vibe code because I feel that it is the most important skill to have for any industry, any role, any seniority level. Mandatory that you learn 2 things this year starting today. Cancel all your subscriptions. Number 1, you get a Claude code subscription. It's really a Claude subscription, and you're going to start with the $20, but then you're going to get the $100. After that, then you're going to get GenSpark. What was that software? Cam? Oh yeah, that's Cam. That's in the so the short answer, if you guys go, I'm actually vibe coding the new website for Cam, and I haven't updated the website. So if you look at the website, it's a little overwhelming. So I wouldn't look at the website for Cam because I'm vibe coding a new one. But I say this because I think I'm going to do a special on him for what he does. Is Cam open source? No. Cam's closed source. Cam's proprietary because he's so powerful. So powerful. He replaces your whole marketing department. Like, so far. So I think I'm going to do him at like a $200 subscription. $200 a month base, and then you pay for API keys on top of it, and then you own your data, and you can pump out 1 video a day if you want. You could go 10 videos a day if you want. I'm pushing it at 10 videos a day. This week, I'm going to go to 20 videos a day because technically he has Opus Clip built into him. So you can basically, for the fraction of the price of what Opus Clip will ludicrously rob you for the charging of it, he has Opus Clip built in. So you can transcribe like a whole video for like $1, like 1 hour video, and get like a bunch of clips for like $1. Like all in. It's actually less. It's like 50 cents, but I always inflate to tell people to like, how can assist with autonomous training? You got to learn how to vibe code. Oh, you could trading right now, like with vibe coding, like, bro, get 100. You're right now gonna go buy the $100 subscription to Claude Code, and when you make that first extra $1,000 in 30 days, just kind of think of me while you send me a little thank you gift. I know I like what do I like? I like donuts and like candy. Trying to think of other things. I like other but yeah, Claude will make you more money as a new skill set, new revenue stream, more opportunity. You will be at the top of AI. Like, AI isn't like ChatGPT anymore. Of like, by the way, if you're still using ChatGPT, you are massively behind. If you're still using NAN, you are massively behind. If you're still typing on a keyboard, you are massively behind. If you are still, like, these are all of the things you guys want to know about Cam. Okay. Oh, Cam's done. Hold on. Cam finished. Oh, check it out. Okay, cool. He's actually working in the background. He's a factory. He's an avatar factory. So he's producing content while I'm talking to you guys. So I'm technically vibe working. This is a thing. I'm technically working. I just pumped out an avatar right now. Oh, while I was talking to you guys, so hard. Did you guys see me go through all the tabs and I had to copy paste? It was so hard. Let's look what he created. So, this is Cam, my content automation machine. He is available for software. He basically will do avatars, clones, Opus Clip, UCG. So if you want to create content, this thing automates the whole process. We are in the process of So, okay, so this video cost $4 to create. Let's click download. Let's see what loads. If it loads, maybe there's a bug. We're in the process of updating it too.
Welcome to Module 1, the Business Partner Commitment. In this module, you'll understand what it truly means to become a certified People Work Business Partner. This isn't about checking a box or attending a one-day seminar. It's about making a real commitment to yourself, to People Work, and to the customers you'll serve. You'll learn the program structure, including our hybrid learning model that combines self-paced study with live coaching sessions. We'll walk you through the 40-day certification journey, breaking down the weekly milestones and time investment of 6 to 8 hours per week. You'll see exactly what's required to earn your certification, including the knowledge check, 3 live demo role plays, and CRM proficiency.
So that's a CEO that's using our system. We've replaced her entire marketing department. She fired her entire 6-figure marketing department and replacing it with Cam. Cam does all the avatar. These are all the scripts that she's going to read. So she already completed one. That's $4. And it's just going to rip through and go boop, 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 boop. And then I'm charging a fuck ton of money on the other side. Because now she doesn't need marketing agencies. All the marketing agencies were like, we need you on camera. Can you, like, for 5 minutes, like, get on camera so that we can, like... And she's like, I don't have time. She's like, I'm running a company. I don't have time to do the marketing jobs for that. Imagine as a side hustle that you can run AI avatar content. So the services start at like $1,500 a month if you want to do it a service for a business and get them posted 60 videos a month, basically, as a side hustle for any industry. Imagine avatar content with the click of a button. Cam's a totally separate thing. Cam's like $200 a month. You could go get book. I gotta update it. But yeah, you guys could send me a DM with Cam, and I can actually just go to the website and then just book a call. That's the biggest thing. Join the website, book a call. That's what vibe coding. That's what 6 months of vibe coding does. 6 months goes. I started with captions to automate captions, and then I touched everything related to short form content. Because I don't want to do any part. I don't want to do captions. I don't want to post. It will post to 6 social media profiles. It will... It's pretty gangster. There's like pretty interesting gangster things that it could do. But that is just the start.
Welcome to Module
Yeah.
1, the Business Part.
I'm just looking at it. So that is Cam. That's a software because businesses just don't have time to post 3 times a day. If you don't post 3 times a day, you do not exist to your market as a marketing principle. Like if you're not posting 3 times a day, you don't exist. Like just don't bother. Just go home, practice, like go do something else. Did you integrate Cam with OpenClaw? No, because Cam doesn't. I get a lot of like OpenClaw people are like, can I just OpenClaw it? And I'm like, it's automated already. Like you lazy guys, like you lazy mofos that wanna like. I get it. You want to OpenClaw everything. Not everything is OpenClaw. Like OpenClaw's executive assistant, not replacing OpenClaw does not replace employees. No, actually, using it for employees is actually more dangerous. Don't judge me. Are there restrictions on explicit content? Asking for a friend. We have the ability to. Cam works with any industry. Cam can generate with one simple API switch that allows you to generate any type of certain avatar content, real or fake. This will get demonetized. Like, and pump out character consistency content. So you can build a persona, female persona, and pump out avatar content at $5 a click. And it will schedule to publish across all social media. And then you could do the front end and the back end. I'm an AI consultant. I've talked with every industry on how they want to use AI. So there's very little of use cases of AI that I have not seen. So we've consulted on those types of projects. So for a friend, because everyone's curious. It's so interesting. There are many uses of AI, many uses. And short answer is like, get in now. Start using them before the world finds out about my academy. Then that ruins it. Once everyone's there like, oh yeah, we're in John's academy. Oh yeah, I know what you're using. You're using GenSpark and Nano Banana. That's not impressive. John taught that last week. And then you're like, John, do you have a VIP? I need more competitive advantage. My boss it's so bad when your boss is enrolled in my training program. Like I have one of my clients, she enrolled her star students. Shout out to her for like seeing the potential of AI from one business meeting to just say, look, we need to upskill and train. So now I'm coming in and working with departments to basically upskill and AI and automate as much as I can from their team. Because the technology just didn't exist a year ago when I took her on as a client. And now the technology is so like she has 4 people that are designated to this one scheduling task, 4 full-time human beings just to this one task. In 2 weeks, that task is going to be completely automated with Claude. Completely eliminated. And we're not eliminating. No. She has a great team, so they're just going to get reallocated. But as a manager, when you start seeing the possibility and you're like, oh yeah, AI can reduce headcount. And then the people who don't have AI skills, who can't vibe code, you don't need any coding skills to vibe code. That's why I'm like, no. I have students that have never touched AI, and within 2 weeks they are vibe coding their apps and deploying them on Railway, and now they're building custom tools for one student. I was within a one-on-one session between. I've been live streaming all day. We just got on the call right now. She's vibe coding a church bookkeeping ledger software. So basically, it's like QuickBooks for churches. Because the software doesn't exist, and if it does, it's really expensive for churches actually. So and it doesn't do double bookkeeping, double accounting that she wants the way she wants it, because they do a lot of nuances within churches. So she within 1 week vibe coded a tool that does that. Isn't that wild? And now I'm trying to push her to be like, imagine if you sell that to all the churches. Like now that's a revenue stream, but she wants to go find a job. And I'm like, don't find a job, sell the license to the tool. So if 500 churches buy your software, it doesn't cost your time. That's one of the biggest things. Don't sell your time. That's why we're learning the vibe code. So you could create a micro SaaS that serves a niche for an audience that's related to your career or industry, and then sell that as a micro SaaS. So Claude is amazing. We're a little light on the likes, but let's say 5,000 likes and I'll give you guys a free Claude code workbook. 5,000 likes, which is only, 800 likes away. We have a lot of people teamwork. I'm going to give you guys a free Claude workbook because we got a lot of new people coming on. I can show you guys what more you could do with Claude and Cam, which is real fun. So let's get you guys a free book. Oh, you guys are like, yo, what? Free Claude book and OpenClaw book. If you guys want this, these things are free, completely for free. All that I ask is we got the 5,000 likes. So real cool. See how teamwork. I usually do it at 10,000 likes, but I've been jamming for some time and we have a great audience already. So every 10,000 likes, I give away a free gift. I'm already pushing it down to like 5,000, so I just give you guys some free gifts right off there. So these are 2 free gifts. The way it works is every 10,000 likes, I give you guys a free gift, and then I will show you I will show you the URL. You're going to take a screenshot and say, yes, I got it, so that I know. That's how it works. And then every 10,000, we gamify. Here we go. So get ready to take a screenshot. That is for these 2 free books that will be delivered to your email for free. Just give it 5 minutes. That is the website. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. KXD, you're vibe coding a Game Boy game? I am so jealous right now. That is genius. That is genius. Everyone take a screenshot and say, yes, you got it. That is so genius. Oh, can we vibe code? Oh my God. Don't make me vibe code that tonight, KXD. Everyone got it? Everyone got it? 5, 4. Don't worry, I'll show you the link if you miss it, but I just want to make sure everyone got it. Good, good, good. We got Jordan got it. Dream Machine got it. Tony got it. I see a lot of new people. Welcome to the fam. Welcome to the AI fam. Nice to meet everyone. Everyone's got it. Good, good, good. I have plenty more gifts. The night is young. Every 10,000 likes, I will give away a free gift. The next free gift is I'm gonna shift them down just because we've been already like we started a little bit earlier. So for everyone on YouTube, basically, hold on, for everyone on YouTube, this is the link. So everyone on YouTube, that's the link that you want to go to, and then see like. Laid off to wait, your name is Laid Off to Lift Off is such a dope name. That is wow. Worked tech and laid off. Mom, wife, and unemployed recruiter would love to connect. I love your like whole vibe. I see that as like a brand. Like your Laid Off to Lift Off program is your 90-day program to help people transition from unemployed to making money, teaching them how to sell digital products and communicate through TikTok to build an audience, give value, build trust, and deliver value. I have a huge marketing background, so that's why like people really stay in the academy is like because I nerd out about marketing. Teach you guys funnels and ads. We did Facebook ads a couple weeks ago. Nice. No, you're all welcome. We're just starting. That was just the gift at 5. I'm gonna do the next one at 15,000. 15,000 likes, which you guys aren't that far away, and I'm gonna give you a free Claude course video. 1 hour, no login. You can watch anytime, and it goes through everything from Claude beginning, how to vibe code, all the way to deploying an app on the web using Railway for free. For free. All that I ask is hit that like for 15,000. We're not even that far away. I'll give you guys low reps to like get into. We started early. It's a fun night. So just join. What's the link for? This is for a free Claude course that complements this Claude workbook. So if you're interested in vibe code, look how beautiful these books are. Like I have to like zoom out because like look how like damn magnificent. That's Nana Banana Pro right there. Look at that. Look at that sweet Nana Banana Pro right there. But wait, what if I put in the wrong email? Then you don't get the workbooks. All the people are like, oh, I'll just put in a spam email, test123@gmail.com. No, not going to get the books then. Like, come on now. Like, I'm not here. I'm not going to spam you if you're not going to spam me. Come on now. Marketer knows a marketer. Get out of here with that nonsense. I give value. You're like, no. Don't worry. You could go back and re-enter. Just refresh your screen. Even if you mistype an email, you can type it again. You get it. I see a lot of likes, 15,000 likes, and we're going to give you the 4-1 there. 10-minute email works as well, too. That works totally well, too. There's like a bunch of different ones and stuff like that. That's how I know who the real marketers are. It worked for da-da-da. It worked in ads. I can see all the hackers and pirates. Pirates, my people. I'm a pirate too. Like, I endorse pirating too. Like, you have me awesome. So what that means is in 5 minutes, you're going to get an email with these 2 books. Then every 4 days, I'm going to send you a free AI training video. And these aren't like short, like little, they're like 1 hour master classes for free. For free, like GenSpark Masterclass, for example. Oh, my Pirate Bay peeps are here. See, these are the live streams that you just hang out. I give away free gifts. Wait till we get to 100K likes. I don't know if we may make it that far, but I've given away $5,000 of free gifts. I usually around once we get to 100,000 likes. So welcome to the chat. I'm Jonathan Kuhn at Dr. AI. I teach vibe coding, or I don't teach vibe coding specifically. I just teach AI to entrepreneurs so that you can buy back your time and enjoy all the benefits that AI has to offer. So, and I'm having a workshop this Saturday. if you guys want to learn hands-on. And this stuff are 2 free things to get you guys started. Luke, nice to see you. Good to see everyone as well too. Hope you're having a blessed night. Let's learn. Like Claude Code is like essential. I'm new to tech, guys. Been here thinking about pivoting for 2 years from healthcare. Come, make the transition. Come. Do you have a Substack? I really do want to start a Substack. It is on my to-do list. Right now I'm doing all my marketing at a kit, which is not the best for marketing. So I will actually, all of my content is on YouTube. YouTube is like where I really like, I treat YouTube as like my Substack, if that kind of is like a lot better. How do you register for the coaching on Saturday? As long as you're on the email list and you've got the books in your email, you may have to look in your promotion folder or your spam folder for, I'll show you the email. Once you have those, you're on my list. I send out new broadcasts from there. So that's how I broadcast. And tonight, which actually, let me do it right now. And 20,000 likes, which is not that far away. Like I'm negotiating for 5,000 likes here, like it's that much. We have 100 people here. If you all just sneeze on your screen, we would just 5,000 likes. 5,000 likes. I will send out the email if you're on the email list right now, which is that we're not that far away. All right, so 20,000 likes, so it's like 5,000 away. So 20,000 likes, which is 4,000 likes away. I'm going to give you guys still the 50% discount to this weekend's hands-on workshop, which is how to build a website. Or no, that was last weekend. This is how to vibe code an app using Claude Code, how to deploy on Railway, how to monetize and protect your IP and app, how to get your first 10 customers and market your app. I'm going to teach you digital marketing. I'm going to teach you how to vibe code using Claude Code. I'm going to teach you how to turn your idea into any app and host it on a public web with your own private or public domain, branded, just like how I have Cam. Technically, Cam lives on my website. He lives on a domain too. So I will, at 20,000 likes, I will send the email. I gotta send an email out anyways to like let everyone know, to be like, yo, this Saturday was part 2 from last week's workshop. Today's part 2 from it. So we have a ton. So we're gonna go to the broadcast. 50,000, 18, so we have 2,000 likes. I have not looked at the comments. Please forgive me. I have not looked at the comments. I'm usually much better on the comments. Okay, let me see. Let me rip through the comments. So that's how you, if you're on the email list, I will send that there. Ooh, Armor, we've got our bots. Show me where your bots are. Come say hi, little bots. I want to say hi. That's all. Looks like I'm going to be sick on Saturday because Colin and enjoy. I promise you, learning how to vibe code, you will learn how to use Claude Code to turn any idea into a fully functional app that you could vibe code your own personal tools to make your life easier. But more likely, you're going to vibe code your own business or work tools to make your work life easier. And it requires no coding experience, no vibe coding experience. You could just wake up today and heard about like AI, have no clue how to use it. Join the workshop. I promise by the very end, you will be vibe coding and have a fully functional app. I promise you that. So a lot of people have like their idea and they're like, man, I wish I had an app that can do X, Y, Z. This gives you that power. And so I'm going to send out the email list right now. So we're at 20,000 likes. Okay, cool. So number 1, make sure you're on the email. So I'm going to count down from, I'll give you guys 1 minute while I craft the email real quick. And then in 1 minute, if you are not on that email list as of the next 5 minutes, once I write this email real quick, you will not get the 50% discount to the link to it. So as long as don't worry. There's no need to rush. I got you all. I will take care of each and every one of you. So step number 1 is you're going to take a screenshot of the link. It's my link in bio. That's going to get you on the email list. Plus, I'm going to give you like free goodies too. So this right here is where you want to go. So take a screenshot. I will hold it for 20 seconds. 19, take a screenshot. 18, 17. Oh, Python could do everything Java. Python, and Claude does all the Python stuff, so you get all the superpowers of Python without having to learn Python. Kai, I missed you. Good to see you, Kai. Not sure where my my year ends, but I need this. Send me a DM, Kai, because I know a lot of people are on their annual is coming up. But you're always, by the way, just like kind of quick thing too, because I have a lot of members that have been like, honestly, God has blessed me that you guys are coming back around for another year again. You're all grandfathered in at that rate. Like, you're whatever rate that you guys got last year, you are grandfathered in. Don't cancel, but you are grandfathered in for that rate. So just in case. Oh, if you sign up for a free trial, you're good. I am having a free trial that basically gets you full access. Okay, do you do personal coaching for your company? Actually, I do, because if this is actually really cool on the website, which is there. If you go, I just added this, organizations. It's a very simple form. So if you want corporate training or consulting, you want me to come in, I could do advising, consulting, or implementation. You could just basically just fill out a very simple form. That way I could just contact you. It's very simple. Lets me know where you are. Lets me know. Some people want training for their company. Some people want to do live training. Some people want pre-recorded courses and their team is just busy. Some people have a lot of churn, so they'll do new hire AI training to upskill them. And then from here, workflow audit is like, hey, we want to automate our work. Basically, I guarantee I will reduce every workflow to either 50% or completely eliminated. Is my guarantee. Like, I'm not going to do like 20% better. It's like, no. You will work 50% less, or I will eliminate the whole workflow so you never have to do that ever again. Basically, that's workflow automation. I should rename that. And then like this is kind of interesting. Every company is different on like what they like their tech stack kind of want. So I selected, we get some Geminis, we've got some ChatGPTs. I'm slowly indoctrinating people in vibe coding. Okay, so make sure you guys are on the email list, which is right here for the 2 free books. Okay, because I'm going to send one email. It will only be sent out once. And then it's going to be a 50% discount for this Saturday vibe coding workshop. We're going to go like pretty much budget like 4 hours. Like, I'm going to go from complete beginner with no experience necessary to how to vibe code. And you could turn any idea. You look at Salesforce and you're like, I could vibe code that. You look at Slack and you're like, I could do that. You look at QuickBooks and you're like, man, I could vibe code you. And you can add AI to it. You can add ChatGPT, GenSpark, Claude, DeepSeek, automations, AI, and you're not doing any of the work. None of the work. So that's the Saturday. So I'm going to have Claude just write a new email for me right now. Can you explain vibe coding if you don't mind? Absolutely. Vibe coding is the most essential and mandatory skill to learn in 2026. Forget prompt engineering, forget ChatGPT and those type things. The most important skill to learn right now is vibe coding. Vibe coding is the act of using an AI tool to do all of the coding and you come up with the ideas. That's all. You have the idea and the vision, and the AI will do all of the coding, all of the logic, all of the programming, and you're not doing any of the work. Then allows you to go from idea to a fully functional app, a database, a tracker, a website. Like, you can vibe code anything. It's even taking out automation tools such as NAN. Because remember, we were talking about NAN, you were talking about the tree. Remember the tree of automation with make.com? Kai, go back. With make.com, that's all gone, irrelevant. There's no need to learn Zapier, make.com, or N8N. Completely irrelevant. He's like, the tree. I say, I know my people. I am the only community where I am so involved in my members. Like, I know what you guys do. I know the projects you're working on. Like, you guys know each other too. So no more make.com or N. Now, Kai, you can come in and learn Claude code and do amazing things with no, like there's no barrier. You had a high, like everyone, NAN, make.com has a very high barrier skill set to learn. That's eroded now. As long as you could just communicate and just voice a text, that's really the biggest thing, and work with Claude. Don't chase any other ones. Claude and VS Code is all you need. Claude and VS Code is all you need, and $100 subscription to Claude, and you are dangerous. I guarantee you it will bring in 10 times more money than that $100 subscription. Like 10 times. easily. It will pay for itself and then some because of the opportunity that it brings you, because you have these new skill sets that you're marketing yourself, talking to everyone here, and building in public and showing that you could do. Hey, you want Avatar's clone? Well, I know John was cloning an avatar late night on a live stream. So go see John if you want your avatar cloned and you want your avatar to pump out content. So or come and learn AI because John has the academy or stuff like that. So and then we're all super nerdy. Like we obsess over the nerdiness of AI. We press all the buttons. We subscribe to. You think your late nights like playing with all that? We go deep into all of these things, which is it's a great family that we all hang out every single week and we learn and we share and we help each other. It's a family. It's a true community. There is 100 now. Jesus, where are we at now? Oh wait, hold on. Let me give this a go. Hey Claude, can you change? Oops, one moment. I'm gonna voice to text something. If you're an AI or just nerd in general, please put a nerd in the chat, and I promise you, in 10 seconds, I will give you a gift that will reward your nerdiness to be like, this is super nerdy stuff. And I'm like, yeah. Let me take your nerdiness to like 10x. While you guys do that, I'm going to just voice the text. Hey, Claude, can you turn this email into a new email to basically say, hey, we're promoting this Saturday as a Claude Code workshop where we're going to teach you how to vibe code completely for beginners. There's no coding experience. By the end of the workshop, you will have a fully functional app that you will know how to monetize and also deploy on the web with your own custom domain and pay less than $5 to host it on the web. Maybe make it $6 to host it on the web. No. Make it $8 to host it on the web. Something like that. And then there's no coding experience. And then this is going to be 4 hours. This is going to be on Saturday. This is going to be at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. They have to register. This one is paid, but I will, what do they say? Not validate, but I will. So I want to give you guys a special, again, the 50% off. The regular price is $250, but this is 50% off, so it's $125 for the tickets. They will go fast. Should I cap it? Nah, I'm not going to cap it. Come. I'm not doing none of that scarcity nonsense. I don't care. I want you guys to more come and learn is one of the biggest things. So I'm going to just copy this in Claude. And then now I'm going to reward you guys while Claude writes this email. Okay, Claude is writing an email. For all my nerds that happily said nerd in the back, let me give you two gifts that I nerd. Actually, let's do three gifts to like really nerd out on. Step number 1, I'm going to give you guys free unlimited books. Some of these people may know, but there's some people in here that just don't know. So let's step 1, and it's going to evolve. So this is just step 1 of 3. So step number 1 is, because get ready to take a screenshot. I can't say the name, but just take a screenshot and then just say yes in the chat when you got the screenshot. Okay, ready? This is free books for life, or until they take it down. This is only for my book nerds. Congratulations, you won a prize at 20,000 for unlocking it. So take a screenshot and put a yes in the chat. Take a screenshot. You don't need to log in. You could get any book that you want. FREE here. Do you got it? Put a yes in the chat. Jordan says yes. Mitchell says yes. Les says yes. Alani says yes. Trevor says yes. You are welcome. If this is why the website gets shut down, I'm going to be sad. Like, if if this is why I can't use this website tonight, man. V says yes. D says yes. Yep. We're going to go for the next. This is part 1 of 3 gifts. Part 1 of 3. Everyone got it? Looking good? Okay, part 1 of 3. Free books. Here, let me show you how to use it. When you go to this website, you're going to search for a great, The Magic of Thinking Big. Is it actually a really good book? Like, If you guys haven't read this book, like, you are missing out. So you can search for any book. You click on said book, and then you download said book. It will show up in your download folder. Anyone following? Give it a moment. Be patient. A new pop-up comes up. Be patient. Be patient. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. There it is. Boom. So now you have the book, right? That is gift 1 of 3. Ready for part 2? Let's take it a step farther. Congratulations, you got the book. Now we take it to the next step. For my nerds. For my nerds, I would use... Actually, that's probably a better thing to screenshot. Actually, I like that. Then you're going to take those audiobooks and you are going to purchase. Yes, you have to purchase, and it's not free, but trust me, this is worth it already. You are going to purchase a subscription to Speechify. This will turn any text and make it a speech or audiobook. And then, what's up, David? David, I'm working on your avatar. As you can see, I am multitasking all the time. So if you click on that, and then you can have Snoop Dogg read
What up, though? It's Big Snoop D-O-double-G, and I'm an English voice from the United States.
You could have her.
Welcome to Speechify. Speechify can read to you in the highest quality digital voices available anywhere.
Pay the subscription. It's worth it. Trust me. So now you have unlimited books and you have unlimited audiobook reader. And when you combine them, you have unlimited audiobooks. That is gift 2 out of 3. I'm not done yet. Oh yeah. You're like, wait. It just keeps going. It just keeps going. Yeah, it keeps going. You guys hit 20,000 likes. Every time you hit that likes, goes up. Every 10,000 likes, I give away a free gift. And if you like these gifts, I've got more every 10,000 likes. And you haven't seen anything when we get to 100,000 likes. Can you vibe code? You can technically vibe code your own Speechify. If you want to get super nerdy, let me help you with that, just for like my super nerds. If you're like, John, I'm a pirate. I don't want to pay for a subscription. And I know how to vibe code. Can I vibe code my own Speechify? And the short answer is, hell yeah, you can. Hell yeah, you can. And actually, it would probably be a lot cheaper too. Ready? I'm going to give you the website that you're going to use to get the voice. And it's actually not 11 Labs, because 11 Labs will actually bankrupt you. That's why you do Speechify, because it's too expensive to do 11 Labs than to do Speechify. So that's going to be this one. You guys are blasting that like button. I love it. We have a good audience tonight. Love a good audience tonight. The game is, get ready to take a screenshot and you put a yes in the chat. The word is fish. This is going to be funny. You're like, fish? What do you mean fish? Yeah. Fish is the code word when you get the screenshot, the link. Type fish in the chat. This is fish.audio. There's no the C to the O to the M. So this is a cheaper 11 Labs. Cheaper 11 Labs, basically. You got the fish. Sammy's got the fish. Beth has the fish. Shane has the fish. Ransom has the fish. People coming in and going, what the f is going on in this room? Why are people spamming fish? Or why is this stranger like so excited? Take a screenshot. This is cheaper than 11 Labs. And here's the terrifying thing. All right. If you guys didn't get it, let me know. Here's the terrifying thing. You only need 90 seconds of an audio file to clone anyone's voice. What? Only 90 seconds and you could clone anyone's voice? Yeah. Then they have, let me see if maybe I can log in. Oh, I'm logged in. Nice. So here's my voice. And the voices are pretty gangster. So here's my voice. This is what I use for the avatars. So when they are, we ride the fish at dawn. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. We're so domesticated. We ride at dawn. Dun, 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 dun. Bring your weapon. Beep. And I just splattered coffee everywhere. Great. So her voice is coming from Fish Audio. Oh, wait. Hold on. Sorry, hold on.
What
Mute.
it truly means to become a certified people work business partner. This isn't about
So here's my voice right here. Hold on. There we go. Deep test.
Okay, guys, so check this out. We're going to do some cool AI stuff today, literally just playing with these new prompts. And like while we're waiting for the model to load, I got this awesome VS Code extension to show you. Hit that follow button if you're new here. We're all about sharing knowledge.
That was the fake version of me. That's my AI voice. That's what I use for all my AI content, my avatar content. That's from fish.audio. So you clone yourself for okay, what we're going. Oh, the GIFs. The GIFs. So ready. We did the books. We did the audio books, speech to text with Snoop Dogg. Now for the step 3, you guys ready? Right? Isn't that terrifying? That's why you want the fish. That's why that was from 90 seconds of that wasn't even the original. That's like the replicated after. That's now the synthesized. Like, and they have a ton. Like if you go to their like not gonna lie, they have a ton of voices.
Nicholas, Raiden, Shang Tsung, Kitana, choose your destiny.
So imagine your audiobook and listening to that.
Johnny Cage, Sonya Blade, Kano, Jax, round 1.
Imagine
Fight, finish him, fatality.
Okay, shut up. Imagine your OpenClaw speaking with that voice, or this voice maybe.
Hey, why are you sitting here all alone in the corner? Come on, let me sit next to you. What's wrong? You're being way too quiet tonight. I know you're not usually like...
So we're moving on, and it also does SpongeBob too.
Oh, barnacles, this is the most amazing day ever. I get to flip Krabby Patties and go jellyfishing with...
You could clone any voice, and they have a ton of like stuff in here. They have ton. Ooh, what is horror?
During the winter of 1985.
Yeah, that's kind of boring. So, here's those are boring ones. But that is that. Oh, wait, the scary voice.
Residents of a small Maine town reported seeing shadowy figures standing motionless in their...
That means you could hook up these voices to any app, to any tool, to anything that you're doing. And it's like, it's crazy.
OMG, guys, just finished customizing my streaming setup, and it's literally so aesthetic. Got these cute pink LED lights and kawaii cat ear headphones.
Terrifying.
My whole room is giving such cozy vibes. Now, time to game.
I'm gonna get demonetized. It's like Jesus. So you have, that's all from the fish. That's why you don't want 11 labs. So if you guys like that, put fish in the chat. I have more tools if you guys want more tools. Fish in the chat is what you get. Which was the third one? It wasn't the Mortal Kombat. Was it the horror? Because what I did was the horror one. Was this one?
During the winter of 1985, residents of a small Maine...
And then I did Mortal Kombat.
Raiden, Shang Tsung.
Shang Tsung! And then I did the 2 e-girls. Those are the ones that are crazy.
Hey, why are you sitting here all alone in the corner?
That's terrifying! I too much power. Too much power. So they have a bunch of tags. You could clone your voice. When you clone your voice, just go to voice cloning right here. 90 seconds. That's all you need. 90 seconds. Any voice. It doesn't even have to be them recording it. The CEO, I did not get her voice. I got it from YouTube. We cloned her from YouTube. That's the fish audio, which is like... See, these are the things that's like... That's why you want to get into vibe coding. Because... Oh, wait. Third gift for nerds, too. We did the audiobooks. We did the text-to-speech. The third gift to take your nerdiness to the next level is Notebook LM. There are some people on this call that do not know the power of Notebook LM. And so we're going to take said book and we're going to introduce you guys to the power of Notebook LM, which is completely free. That is your next tool. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. With Notebook LM, you have notebooks on topics. They are collections of information. Then you're going to click a new notebook. Oh, you don't need Gamma anymore, which is even more wilder stuff. Because Notebook LM does Nano Banana Pro, which eliminates Gamma and even GenSpark for PowerPoint presentations. Because now, let me show you. So step number 1, you need to upload source information. Because what Notebook LM solves is, hey, when you talk to an AI, they do this weird thing, they hallucinate. They make stuff up. And so he's like, no, don't give him the secrets. With this is to help the hallucination, is basically to say it will only answer AI questions based on the information that you provide. It won't make up information. That's its sole purpose. Plus, this dope feature to turn any information into slides, videos, podcasts, mind maps, flashcards, data sheets, PDF reports, quizzes, and all that for free. So this is what Notebook LM will change your thing. So upload your files or YouTube videos or Google Drive. But if we get to 30,000 likes, which is not that many, I will show you a Chrome extension that will unlock all the YouTube videos with a one-click import. You can, like Kirby, suck up an entire YouTube library and dump it into a notebook with one click of a button. 30,000 likes. I give away free gifts. So then, keep that like button going. That's why I'm like, we're moving people. So I'm going to just, when you upload a file, I'm just going to go to, Cam. We could probably do some stuff in here. Actually, I don't want to do Cam. I want to do the systems architect. Okay, cool. So this is about AI because there's a bunch of stuff in here anyways. So you upload a ton of information for whatever you want. These are a bunch of Google Docs and PDFs, right? On the right-hand side, it will take all of those docs. These are just documents and files. 30,000 likes. We're almost there. And then it will, with one click, turn it into a video with presentation and slides. And this is 5 minutes long, all related to whatever the topic is.
Ever wonder what it really takes to go from just playing around with AI to actually building smart, automated systems that work for you? Well, we're going to break down a pretty incredible 90-day journey that's designed to do just that, to turn you into a full-fledged AI systems architect. Let's dive.
Intentional Allure is like, I'm in the right room. This is my people. This is for free. You guys talk about this every night. Let's follow. I like this guy. With one button, you upload information, and then I'm going to give you guys the 30K gift right now. And that was just pressing the video overview. That's all I did was press the video overview. And in about, it will take about 10 minutes. That comes out of the oven. Now, congratulations, each and every one of you. Hold on. I'm getting a little better at this. Hold on. And then I go. And then you go. And then you go. You guys just want... I look like a crazy person in my room. I hope you realize this. No one does this for real. No one really like crazy. Who has this? If you see how much caffeine I consume, you would be like, this dude's blood type is medium black roasted. So you guys just won a full Chrome extension that connects to Notebook LM that allows you... You guys are like, what's Cam? Well, we're going to talk about Cam in a moment. Notebook LM to Chrome extension. Oh wait, is that it? No, that's not it. That's not it. Notebook LM. Wait, hold on. I will give you the verified link. I think this is it. Yeah. This is the one you want to find. It's a Chrome extension. Take a screenshot. Make sure it's this one specifically. Take a screenshot, Put book in the chat if you got it. Put the word book in the chat. Actually, just put Y. Just put Y. I'll make you type less. Put a Y in the chat if you got it. A Y in the chat if you got the link. Book. I'm trying also thinking like less letters to make it easy for you guys. I appreciate all the book people. Y. Perfect. The banner's over. I'd give you the URL, but the URL is just too long, honestly. Like, honestly, that's why it's like you would search for this one. This is basically, it's YouTube to Notebook LM, and that's the URL. And then when you click on it, make sure, let's say 341 ratings, this is the one with this logo. Now, let me show you how to use it. Got the Y. Nice. Okay. When you go to any YouTube video, at the very bottom corner of the YouTube video, you will see this button, Notebook LM. When you press that, it will take that one video and put it into a Notebook LM account. But that's boring. What you really want, I should probably do let's do this, GenSpark tutorial. Say you're searching for YouTube. Oh, we've got 40K likes. I got a gift at 40K. Say you're searching for something on YouTube. Oh no, what a weird promotion. You want to watch a free GenSpark tutorial on free YouTube? Oh wow, that's so weird. I'm at the #1 for GenSpark tutorial. Must be a good video. Doesn't seem short, seem pretty comprehensive. I don't know, just kind of like, but that's not the real thing. That's not why I brought you here. You're interested in a topic, could be any topic. This is for my nerds. What? That button wasn't there before. Where did that button come from? So if you press that button, remember, press all the buttons. Create a new notebook or use an existing one. I'll create a new one. It is going to take all of those search results and dump them into a Notebook LM file. Put a yes in the chat if you think that's amazing. All 200 search results are now in this one Notebook LM file. In one click, one button, one Chrome extension. This Chrome extension puts an entire YouTube search in here. And now I can just place an order for an infographic. I can go and place an order for a video. I can do a slide deck. And right there. That is why you want to use Notebook LM with GenSpark. Now, let me show you some cool other things that Notebook LM can kind of like generate. So go into here too. He's like, wow, I'm not going to sleep tonight. If you guys, just quick plug, highly recommend join my email list. I'm going to give you 2 free books. If you guys love this stuff, I'm hosting workshops, classes, and training to keep you guys up to date. Just join the email list, and that's where I'm actually going to be sending the email out with the 50% discount. You guys are just spamming. You're just getting to the likes, so which is good. I want that. Every 10,000 likes, I give you a free gift. Do the community members need to pay for Saturday? Yes, unfortunately, because on one side, I will say this. On one side, I will say this. If you do attend the Tuesday through Friday workshops, you're already ahead. The problem is people don't attend the workshops. So then I send out the recordings, and you have recordings from all the recordings that we've ever trained, which we've been teaching Claude for the past 3 months, and still people won't take the courses. So you can lead a horse to water, but I can't force people to drink, and that's why I'm still teaching Claude Code to this day of like, we need to get you guys upskilled in Claude Code. So that's why, if you cannot make those, Saturday is a Claude Code in-depth workshop. It is not free. It is 50% off. I'm going to do it at $125, so it's like 50% off. I'm going to keep that for everyone that's on the email list. So if you sign up and you're on the email list, I'm only sending 1 email right now. After that, I'm not sending it again. And it will have the 50% discount for this Saturday's workshop, where it is 4 hours of everything that you want to basically vibe code and build and launch a real app. There's no coding experience. Claude wrote the whole email. Wasn't this crazy? I'm going to make a bold promise. This Saturday, you're going to build a fully functional app from scratch, even if you've never written a single line of code. This isn't a demo, not a follow along, and this is actually really good, just for marketing copy. It's not a demo. It's not follow along and pretend. It is a real working, you'll get built your own real working, fully functional app that you'll deploy to the web with your own custom domain before the workshop is over. And the kicker, it will cost you less than, I got to figure out the $8 a month, because technically Railway is $5 a month, but you don't need Railway to like build an app, but let's say $5 minimally. Claude is like a $20 to $100 subscription, but I'm not counting that because this is just building it. You should have that subscription aside. Then, so like really building apps doesn't cost that much, other than like APIs. I'm going to remove that. So that's this Saturday, Claude Code Vibe Coding Workshop, Saturday, March 1st, 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for 4 hours. You come in as a beginner, you leave with your fully functional app. Full price for the workshop's $250, $125. I'm going to send out the Stripe link right now with it. If you are not on that email list, you do not get this 50% off discount, and then you have to pay 50%. I mean, it's not the end of the world. Like, there's cheaper stuff. So that I'm going to send. And then there's a Notebook LM stuff, which is like really dope. So I'm going to send the email right now. So be sure to go to link in bio, because I want to get this off my plate real quick. And then I can focus on you guys for a moment. So I'm in my email broadcasting tool. I am drafting email. The link in the bio will get you to the email list just to make sure you guys are good. Yep, you guys are on the email list. And now, just going to craft the email, which is nice. Notebook LM is Google. Yes, Notebook LM is free. For like, you get unlimited like notebooks, and each notebook can contain like 50 files or 50 documents or something, depending on like something like how much. It depends on like how much data, basically. Okay, so writing an email, writing an email, writing an email, because I'm doing my homework. Okay, so now, oh, this Saturday is gonna be really fun. Oh, I thought it was free for this coming Saturday. Free was last Saturday. Last Saturday, we had 74 people attend the Claude Fundamental Workshop. On that workshop, they learned how to do Claude and Vibe Coding fundamentals. They learned how to do voice to text so they never have to type again. They learned how to use Claude Co-work and how to automate all of the desktop work and from files and folders and images and desktop and documents. How to never write a single document again and use Claude to write all your documents. Then we spent the next hour that went into how to vibe code and build your own website. So how to go from idea. Then I showed you guys how to copy, clone, mirror any competitor's website, or get a backup copy of your own website. Maybe it's on WordPress or Lovable and you can't get it off the web from their account because they gatekeep you or something, or you're like, oh, it's in a no-code tool like WordPress and I want to like vibe code it. We gave away a prompt that was an extension. See how it's like, that's why I'm like, the last one's like, my first offers are always my best offers. So we had a free workshop yesterday. So that's why you want to be on the email list. So when I announce more workshops, like this one this Saturday, this one's paid because I need to focus with people that are actually business owners that actually need to learn it. So I would love to teach the world. Ooh, Nerd Geek just joined the community. Actually, your name, you put your username for the name of the community. That's dope. Wait, hold on. I should have special effects for when people join the community, because when we go, ooh, what's magic? Oh, that's dope. What is, no, that's not good. I want more. I like the wow, and then the and then the Actually, it's all cheers. It's all cheers all day. All day, because Nerd Geek just joined the community. Say hi in the chat. I mean, you get a free 7-day trial to join the community, get full access to all the courses, all the classes, all the workshops, all the repeat replays to all the live classes where we had my video library of Google Drive folder of all the PDF books, all of the guides I've ever created. Then you also get to network with other business owners and other entrepreneurs and professionals, so that we have members that are that have started their consultancy. We have members that started their business. They've got their first 1,000 subscribers. They've got their first $1,000. They found their first client. They started automation agency. They started their business. This is all in the community. It's a family of people that are connecting regularly for one, the need to stay up to date. Two, so that we can get the signal from the noise. That's my job, is to give you guys the signal to say these are the things you need to focus on. Everything else. That's why I'm like, no NAN, no Gemini, or like anti-gravity, no Lovable, no Base 44, no, what are all the other nonsense? No ChatGPT, no Copilot, no Grok, no Perplexity, no... What other trash apps are out there? Trash apps, things that just distract you and prevent you from being productive, prevent you from actually manifesting your ideas, manifesting your work, manifesting multiple agents to get them to do your work. So, this week, how dare you slander Codex like that? I know. How dare you? The LLMs, it's like, just wait till 6.0 update. Codex 6.0 is going to crush it. No replit. Of course, a lot of those have caveats. I speak more towards the average entrepreneurs who are not like super developer or tech, like super techie. Like super techies, like developers, like KXD, like your guys' level, you're on Windows computers, you're a vibe coding your own automations, like you're at the level. I need to bring the people to the software developer level. I'm like trying to onboard as many people to become software developers to saturate the market so that everyone vibe codes their own tools so you can start a new revenue stream and keep your job before you're, because you don't want to be the guy or the guy or person in the room where they're like, hey, Sally, vibe coded this thing, and then all of a sudden you're like, I don't have skills like Sally. Sally vibe codes, and I'm not a vibe coder. That's for coders. No, it's not. It's not for coders. It's for everyone. I have I have people in their 60s that are like vibe coding apps. Like, it's for all ages. I really wish like vibe coding was like a family activity. That's like super nerdy, but I would like turn off the TV and like forget about World War III and just like vibe code with the fam and just encourage the family to be like, what do you want to create? Like tonight, we're just going to hang out, bring some good food, good music, and just like vibe code as a family. And each family member creates their own app. And by the end of, you set a timer and you have an hour. And then by the end of the hour, people have to show like, what did you build in an hour? Have a little like family hackathon and then have a cash prize. Like that would be like, why not? Why is this not a family more activity? If it's like, this will be so great. All right, let me see. I'm just going to clean up the formatting a little. Because I really truly feel vibe coding is like the gift of coding. Like, you guys missed the whole coding revolution. Like, there was the whole coding revolution, like, I don't know, I think it was like 2020 or 2018, around that time. My son is vibe coding like crazy. Get your whole family in it. It's like, it's not an age thing. It's not even a text thing. It's not even an industry. Like, you could be completely tech agnostic in your career. You could be an English teacher, for example, and you could still benefit from vibe coding. Like, that is like one of my students, like, they vibe code their own tools, and I'm like, I'm so proud of my students. Like, they're like crushing it. Okay, so here's the link. Okay, so I'm putting the Stripe link real quick, and then I'm gonna send this email out. I'm sending this email out in 1 minute. If you are not on the email list, you don't get this 50% discount, and then you gotta pay twice to get into Saturday's workshop. This is for Saturday's workshop this Saturday. If you miss it for your ticket, you get the video replay. So I should also state in there too. Video recording included. The video recording and workbook is included with your ticket. So even if you miss it, you still would get the recording after. What's up, Dalton? He's like, hope all people know how much you do. It's like, we do a lot. We do good. I'm blessed to go another year of like with AI and stuff like that. Truly blessed. Do Academy members pay for the workshops? Yes. The reason why is because the Academy members have access to 12 included workshops Tuesday through Thursday every single week with Friday office hours. The problem is they don't intend. And if you don't intend, I can't teach you. And I get it. I don't want to work the Saturdays. So you're making me work the Saturdays. It's like I removed the Saturday workshops because like people weren't attending. And I'm like, we got to change it all. So that's why I'm doing paid workshops on Saturday for people that are like, I need to learn this and I have to learn AI. I don't want to do free. You're tired of free YouTube videos. You're tired of being in communities and looking at a course. This is a live class. That's one of the biggest things. Does your voice do it in all the voices will do like 170 different languages and like all sorts of different accents and stuff like that. So that's what it's like. That's the workshops too. I was like, and you get the recordings too, which is nice. The video recording is included in your ticket, so if you miss it, you still get the recording set right after. Okay, I think we're good. Let me just put a subject line, and then I will send this email off. This Saturday, build and launch a real app, no coding required. And then you'll have a live app by Saturday night. Actually, you'll know exactly how to vibe code after. Like it's just a one-time workshop. Like by the end of the workshop, you'll know exactly how to vibe code with it. And I'm gonna do part 2. Hi, so I'm gonna make you a bold promise this Saturday. You're gonna build a fully functional app from scratch, even if you've never written a single line of code in your life. This is not a demo, not a follow along and pretend. I'm gonna show you how to build a real working app that you could deploy to the web on and host on your own domain before the workshop is over. Claude Code Vibe Coding Workshop this Saturday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for roughly 4 hours. I'm going to try and jam through as much as I can. Trying to get you out there by 3 hours, but we're going to be, we should be done by 3 hours, honestly, is like enough to get you guys dangerous with it. But I budget like 4 hours is like, just in case. So because we went overtime last week and I felt bad and I was like, oh, I told you, because there was so much I needed to like share with you guys, like to condense all of Claude in like 3 hours is like, that's impossible. It's like, wow. By the end of the workshop, you will have a fully functional app built by you, owned by you, your intellectual property. I want no recognition. This is your app. You are going to build. And you're going to know how to build and deploy it to the web with your own custom domain. You don't need to prepare anything for the workshop. You don't need to buy, well, technically just get Claude Code, and you're probably going to like the $20 subscription. If you don't use it that much, that's going to last you, for example. $100 one, you're good. You're gonna get a lot of usage out of Claude. Like, trust me. Like, I'm to the point where I'm on like the $200 plan because I have so many agents that are working and doing stuff. What's up, Breezy World? So this Saturday, it's March 1st, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for 4 hours. I'm gonna get you guys out of there by 3 hours. Full workshop, and then if you miss it, don't worry. I'm gonna the video recording and the step-by-step workbook, which you guys know my workbooks, are all included with your ticket price. Last weekend was the free one. This is the paid one. That's part 2 that goes deep into it. And this email is getting sent out right now to my email list. So if you are not on the email list, go to in the BIO, the link in the BIO basically, and it's a Claude workbook. Once you get that, puts you on the list. Puts you on the list. That came out wrong. Like, that's a good list. It's actually a list of all nerds. Like, this is the nerdy list that you want to be on. Like, then join the nerds. Like, we are vibe coding at night, and then we're working less, and we're earning more, and then we're telling everyone, shut up, John. You're giving away all the secrets. Don't tell people. Then you have people coming on, and you're like, John, don't talk about Claude Code. Okay.
Tomorrow morning, okay?
What, tomorrow morning?
I'll give you the sign.
Yeah. Oh, okay, don't worry. So this is, and it's crazy. That's a generalization. Oh, don't worry. I guarantee you I've been an engineer for 12 years. People are not going to read their code. Don't worry. I mean, and this is mostly for people that are vibe coding. This is not going to get you into like becoming a software engineer. Let's go. Okay, cool beans. Thank you. Cool.
Get up at 4.
Sweet. So this is not going to get you to become a software engineer. However, if you've ever had a passion for coding and want to go in, I fully will say this will allow you to, it will give you like blind confidence to like become a software developer. You won't become a software developer, but you will produce like the point is not to get a software developer job. That's not the goal. It's like no one wants to get like, unless you, of course, respect to all the software developers like Dr. D and KXD on the call, like shout, like you're going the career route. This is for people that want to vibe code to build a tool to monetize a SaaS app. They want to build and monetize something, no different than writing a book, creating a course, developing a product. It's just now you can create SaaS products or micro SaaS products with ease that can solve real world and real business challenges and then monetize them. The only thing that's keeping you from monetizing them is marketing. And I'm going to teach you that on Saturday. So blessing reports like 114 people on. Oh, Winston, I love live streams. We've been jamming. We've been giving away free gifts. We've had a great audience. We're sending out the email right now. Okay, last call. If you're not on the email, I have 10 seconds to get that list. So make sure yes, or do I say, do you guys yes or no? Yes, send out the email, or no, hold on, I haven't signed up for your email list. Yes, send it out, or no, I am not on the email list. I need to get on. John, how do I get on? Making sure Kai says send it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, looks good. Okay, cool. I'm going to now just put it in. I gotta do my human check just to make sure. Okay, cool. And then I gotta make sure I send it to the right list. Oh, this is gonna go to everyone. So this is gonna go to all the community members too. Because the thing about the community members too is like, because you guys have the free workshops, 12 free workshops. It's like for $97 a month. That's why it's like join the live classes. That's where all okay, and okay. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, one more button. And it's sent. It's sent. 2,200 people will get an email in 5 minutes that will say, this Saturday, build and launch a real app with no coding experience. The 4-hour workshop. Everything you need to know about vibe coding and building and monetizing and marketing an app. This Saturday, you guys all got a 50% discount. I'm never sending that email again. And I'm going to turn that discount off in about, probably about 72 hours. There's no rush. So but 72 hours, I'm going to disable that link. There we go. See how it pays to be on the email list? So that you actually, be on the email list will actually save you, make your money. I'm excited for that. It's going to be a great workshop. Now, that's off my plate. You guys got the notebook, you guys got the Ocean of PDF, you guys got the voice cloning, you got the notebook LLM. You guys got a lot of goodies gifts tonight. So I'm excited. And then you guys got the workbooks. I see some people. What's your next hit? Oh, you guys unlocked that 40,000 likes. A new gift. Hell yeah. 40,000 likes. Ready? This gift is a full GitHub file. It is a full ChatGPT wrapper application. This is a clone of ChatGPT that you can copy and mix in any AI model to it and multiple models, which you can't do with ChatGPT. So this tool is an app that you can vibe code. It has all of the code necessary for you to use it so that you can ask a question to AI. It will talk to 3 different AI models and then get the answer summarized by one super AI model. It could be Claude, it could be ChatGPT, GenSpark, whatever you want. That is for free because every 10,000 likes, I give you guys a free gift. And we've given a lot of free gifts since right here. Like if you guys got the free book, comment no if you haven't got the free book. I want to make sure at least you guys get the free Claude code books. And then now I'm going to give you that GitHub file. Get ready to take a screenshot. The game is you say yes if you got the link. Okay, and I'll get the book right now. So let me get the book and then I'll give you guys the link for the GitHub repo because we have lots of gifts. Lots and lots of gifts. Okay, so step number one, this is for the books. If you don't have this, this is for free. These two are, this one's like 50 pages, this one's like 70 pages. I paid for Saturday training and didn't include my email. Just send me a DM. Honestly, is like the easiest. Like, oh wait, hold on. Lizette. Okay, I do see it. Hold on, let me do. 1 second. Because I also do customer support. I do see it. So send me an email, Liz, and say you paid, and to say send the ticket to this email. That's all I need. Just send me a DM right now, and then I will take care of you because I see it and you're good, and I will email you that. Let me actually just make a note real quick in my notes so that I don't forget to say send Liz. She already paid, so she'll send you a DM in TikTok. Look in your comments in your TikTok for her email, and then send her the Zoom link for Saturday's workshop. Okay, cool. I sent out my. I got you guys. Okay, so now back to the free gifts. Okay, so those are for 2 free books. So take a screenshot. These are for the free books. Next, I'm going to give you guys the ChatGPT clone. So this is for the free books. Put a yes in the chat once you got it. Yes in the chat once you got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Okay, perfect. Now, next one is going to be this. See my GitHub. I should give you some more I have a ton of GitHub projects I'm gonna give you guys actually. See, like project, I have like Opus Clip in here. We have Board of Advisors. This is what I want to give you guys. How much is the training? For this Saturday, it's $125, or you could join the community for like $97 and just get access to the community. And then the community gets you access to the recordings if you can't make Saturday, but it's because it's a live class. Okay, so what does this do? This is your Board of Directors AI. It is a fully functional AI tool that is basically, it simulates a corporate board of directors where multiple AI advisors, you can pick any sorts of advisors, CMO, CFO, CTO, and when you pose a question, each one of them will give their perspective on the question, and then a CEO will automatically synthesize the information. So basically, you ask a question, the CFO gives an answer, CTO gives an answer, and you could change these any way you want. This could be like Tony Robbins, this could be Gary Vaynerchuk, this could be like, I don't know, Bad Bunny, I don't know. And then from here, you can choose any different model. They could be all the same model. You could do Gemini, Anthropic, Claude, Opus, whatever you want. And then they are going to give their perspective. So basically, once you they'll each give an answer, and then the CEO will summarize and give his output, his answer. That is for free right here. I'm not giving away the prompt. I'm giving away the whole file. Every 10,000 likes, I give away the whole, that's the whole public file. You could just copy the entire source documents. This is a full application that you could just download. So take a screenshot and put a yes in the chat once you get it. Put a yes in the chat once you take a screenshot. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. This for free. There's no opt-in. Steph has it, Kyle has it, Richard has it, Les has it. Thank you. Oh yeah, this is to get you started with your Vibe Coding journey. All you need to hook it up is just one API. Just go to OpenRouter and get one API and just fund it with $5. That's all. OpenRouter is a place that you can get access to every single model that has ever existed. Anthropic, Quen, Minimax, Z, and you could put these models into your apps. So you can have Gemini in your app, you can have Claude in your app. Whenever you want to vibe code, you can add AI to it they're basically like pennies of a request. pennies of a request to basically hook it up. So this is to get you coding, and this is going to be your first, and all the instructions, there's all instructions how he works from here. You can run him locally. Oh, he also has RAG too. So if you want to chat with your PDF documents because you want to like basically you want to chat with your PDF documents, or you want to personalize your AI so it knows more about you, you can with a subscription. I mean, it's not even, it's cheap. There's basically for free. You could hook up Pinecone, and Pinecone will be your vector storage. This is a beginner tool that we give away for free. I gotta get it hosted. All right, so everyone got the link? Put a yes if you got the link, put a no if you didn't. Yes if you got the link, no if you didn't. That is a prize that you guys unlocked. Every 10,000 likes, I give you guys a free gift. That one we got at 40,000 likes. Isn't that wild? Isn't that wild? BB, you didn't get it? I got you. Don't worry. I got you. But you gotta get ready to take a screenshot, BB. All right, you ready? Here we go. There you go. Take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. That is the full, actually, can you guys, hold on. Can you guys get the whole link? Okay, it's right after there. Oh, I'm just cleaning it up for you. There we go. That's the full link. There we go. Take a screenshot. You're like, let's see if we get to 50K. I don't know. I have a prize at every 10,000 likes. You want to keep going? I have more prizes. Every 10,000 likes unlocks a new prize. So we have tickets for this Saturday. I'm excited. This is going to be a great workshop. You don't have to prepare anything for this Saturday's workshop. We're going to teach you everything you want to know about Claude, vibe coding. I'm going to teach you all the tips and tricks that I know. What were the prizes so far? Oh, BB, you're late. You're late. We gave away 2 Claude workbooks. We gave away a full Claude course workbook or course video that's an hour long. We gave away free unlimited books. Then we gave away audiobooks so you could do audiobooks. Then we gave away a Notebook LM course, or actually we just did a Notebook LM training. So thanks for offering Saturday. Oh, Liz, I got your email. Wonderful. Perfect. I got your email, Liz. Excellent. So I will send your ticket to there. Perfect. And then more strategic consulting. Is that Sid? Hey, thanks for the subscription. By now I get paid about okay, more. I think I said nice. And then Carlene, it already closed the account? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's no worries. That's okay. So wonderful. I got everyone. So it's gonna be, and demand is huge for it, which is like crazy to say. If I look at my TikTok, it's blowing up. Like the NAN one is like going crazy right now. Like, watch this. Where are we at right now? Wait a minute. Oh, Jesus. Oh, there we go. There we go. This one video, I post 10 pieces of content a day, and you're like, John, that sounds like a lot. It's not really that much. You're basically, it's like bats. Like reps or like times a bat, like 1 out of 10 is going to make it. But most people fail because they just do 1 out of 3 and they're like, oh, content sucks. It's like, no. Increase 1 out of 10. You have more tries, 1 hits. Look at this one video. So 10 pieces of content, only 1 is taking off. There's your outlier. And because in marketing, you say a call to action. And because I have that call to action, comment, now we're starting to pick up leads. Leads. So it's going to be a very popular workshop on Saturday. You don't want to be behind. Because then, the weekend after, I think I'm going to do OpenClaw after. They all build on top of each other. I hope you know. Like they all like fundamentally build on top so that you can keep going deeper. Some people want that 50,000 prize. I have tons and tons of goodies. But that's one of the biggest ones. Can we do faceless edu-training TikToks? Okay, here's the faceless thing. You guys aren't going to like this, but I'm going to say it. Privacy equals poverty. I'm going to say it again. Privacy equals poverty. If you are not posting content with your face less than 3 times a day, you do not exist as a business for your customers, and you are not doing anything for marketing. You have to show your face, and you have to post 3 times a day, and you have to go live once a day. That's my minimum recommendation for short form content. So I have a very, very passion against faceless content because people buy from people. And it's going to be very difficult. Every single one of my clients that has chosen faceless has made 0 money, like 0 additional money. None of their social media is following. In fact, they stopped because they're like, social media is stupid. It's not working. I'm like, yeah, because you're doing faceless and faceless doesn't work. And so they're like, but I want, it's like, no, you have to build a brand. You have to show your face. Remember, privacy equals poverty. So I ain't doing none of that faceless stuff. I want you guys to make money. 50K, 50,000 likes. Damn. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Where's that? The winning little sound effect. Because now I know which sound effects to kind of like choose from, for example. So we got, let's go. Every 10,000 likes, I give away a free cash, or I'm gonna say cash prize, not cash prize. Okay, let's see. This is gonna be fun. I am going to give you guys. What would be a really good? Because he's like, I need more RAM. Let's give you guys. It's 50,000 likes, which would be really good. I'm gonna give you guys. No, I can't give that one away. That's too much. That's 100,000 likes for that one. Because I was gonna give you guys OpenClaw, but I'm like, OpenClaw is 100,000 like software. If I'm gonna give you like just a full OpenClaw software, that's like, Oh, I got a good one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let me set it up. Yeah, this is gonna be good. Okay. I need to create a Google link real short, shorten it, and then I'm gonna give you guys this workbook. Oh, yeah. This is worth 50,000 likes for sure. Because it cost me $2,500 to acquire. And I'm going to give it away to you guys for free. Let's go to a link shortener. You know, hitting 100K is setting them all up. Wait till you see the 100K prize. The 100K prize is like a $5,000 prize that I got to give away. This one I'm giving away is only a $2,500 prize, but it's still $2,500. Okay, so this is a link. Okay, I have the link. Perfect. Let me test the link. Yep, it works. Okay. I don't give these out. That's why I'm like, I don't give these out. Ready? For making it to 50,000 likes, and for all the people in the MVP for have been spamming that like button, very good. You all unlocked a complete business masterclass workbook from Maria Wendent, who is the digital course queen who makes $800,000 a month selling courses. So when she gives a lecture, a talk, a program, I paid $2,500 to go to her VIP digital marketing training. It was an 8-hour, 1-day workshop. I audio recorded the entire thing. By the time I got home, in 10 minutes, I gave the entire transcript to, at that time we had GenSpark. We didn't have Claude at that time. We were deprived. We had to use the best we can. I'm sorry. But we had to use GenSpark. Ugh. We didn't have Claude. And I took the entire 8-hour transcript and all her workbook material and gave it to GenSpark and said, I want you to compress this into a step-by-step workbook that every beginner can go through step-by-step and accomplish the same outcome in half the time. And so this workbook is the 3 tiers. If you are making $10,000 or less, it tells you the 3 things you need to focus on your ads as a business owner. They're not your website, it's not your logo, and no one cares about your content. These are the 3 things you need to focus on if you're making less than $10,000. The way the game works is I'm going to show a link on the screen. It is to a link shortener. There is no opt-in. You guys already shared your email, so I'm already going to be sending you a lot of goodies. There is no opt-in. This is just a link shortener to the workbook. I will not show this again. You have 10 seconds to take a screenshot, and then I will not show it again. This is the whole, that's why it's a business background. The pro tip, take this workbook and you give it to your AI and ask your AI to coach you based off this business or based off this workbook for your business. I guarantee you will get more insight on what you need to focus on, and it will actually make you more money. You guys ready? 50,000 likes. Yeah, great. Here we go. Here it is. This is, I should make a cover for this. The Digital Entrepreneur's Growth Workbook from Maria Wendens. This was her mastermind event. I went to the VIP. She shows you a step-by-step guide to scaling your company from $0 to $850,000 a month. She went through her sister, all shared everything. Coach She's in the house. Look at all the goodies. Stage 1, $0 to $10,000 a month. This is what you need to focus on. Stage 2, 10 to 100K a month. This is what you need to focus on as a business owner. 100K to 850K a month. These are the things that you need to focus on. That is the link. You have 20 seconds to take a screenshot. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. Put a yes in the chat once you get it. Put a yes in the chat once you get it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. I know she's the goat. She's the goat. 5, 4. Richard has it. Steph has it. Incredible Life has it. Jojo has it. Taz has it. Yumo has it. Jess has it. Sharon has it. 3, 2, 1. That's it. Not showing you anymore. That's gone. Gone. 50,000 likes prize. That was from a $2,500 business masterclass VIP mastermind. All summarized. The people who attended didn't even get that workbook. Like, the people who attended got a horrible, she hired a marketing agency to make a workbook. They took a week to get the recording, and they didn't even get a workbook. Yeah, I'm the only one that has that exist. So better 60K, get ready. We're going, you guys are full speed, slowing down. What's the next prize? The next prize depends on 60,000 likes. And at 60,000 likes, we giving away a lot of goodies. We've actually given away a ton of really good stuff, and we ain't stopping. We're not done yet. So that is, oh man, you guys are going hard on AI. Look at this. I like it. So I'm gonna give you guys 60,000 likes. At 100,000 likes, I'll give you guys the replay to last week's masterclass for Claude. I think we could get it. I think we go teamwork, work together to get to that. That would be, yeah, last week's Claude Code workshop, and I'll throw in the workbook too. That would give me like the 60K. I'm kind of combining two. That's going to be the 100K. That's going to be like that 70 to 100K. So we got too much. Claude is so unsafe. Nah. Claude is unsafe because you don't know how to use Claude. I don't say that determined. Like, I say that more of like, keep practicing with Claude. Claude will make you more money. Intentional Laura's like, ooh, we about to be ready for Saturday. Coach E, I missed you so much. I love the content and the branding that you're doing. Coach E is crushing it. Amazing. BB's like, what do these lives tend to pay out? Curious, since I don't do lives. Oh, I don't make money on like views. I don't make money on likes. I don't make money on gifts or any of those. Like, of all the hours of content like I've done, I think I've made $4 in like the year of TikTok. $4 or something like that. So I don't make money out of those. It's just promoting my own business. The academy, all the amazing members from the academy allows me to support me to do what I do. All the amazing members in my one-on-one coaching program allow me to do what I do. I'm just blessed. The business is good. I'm here just to serve. It's another year. I'm teaching AI again, and I want to bring more people into AI. I've seen people create courses. I've seen people launch businesses. I've seen people even get over their fear and insecurity and self-doubt and post their first video on social media and get their first 1,000 followers and then go ecstatic. Like, they're like, oh my God, this is crazy. If like 1,000 people want to, I'm like, yeah, 1,000 people want to hear your message. Put yourself out there. Really, people make money? Yeah. BB, it's mandatory to learn AI. Everyone who's using AI in their profession is working less and earning more. Now, I say earning more is always a caveat because you do have to be a business to be defined as earning more. If you're an employee, you guys know your salary cap, so it's not going to help you in any way. It's going to help you with a side hustle. It's like, keep your job and then get the side hustle is one of the biggest things. You can check your promotion. Yeah, it's going to be in the email. It's in the email is under promotion under hello@simpletechskills.com. 70,000 likes. Let me give you guys a free GenSpark course at 70,000 likes, because there's really only two tools that you need to learn, Claude and GenSpark, and we already gave away a Claude course at 20,000 likes. So the 60,000 likes, I haven't given. Well, we did the board and then we did the Brandon. I think Maria was Maria was the 50. We haven't done the 60, and then let's do the 70. So this one, let's go to library, because you really like GenSpark and Claude are like amazing. How do we get the free class? 100,000 likes is where we get there. I know, I told you fast. You guys are moving super quick, super quick, super quick. You guys are moving super quick. Do. Blow up the TikTok. Do. Learn the TikTok. Okay, cool. This is all in that spreadsheet tool for you, so you don't have to figure. There you go. This is a 60,000 like prize. It is a full GenSpark hour-long course that has everything you want to know about GenSpark and how to use GenSpark in your office. For example, 100,000 likes loaded. 100,000 likes. What did I say I was going to? I was something big I was going to give you guys. Oh, 100,000 likes. I'm giving you the workbook and the course from yesterday's replay, from yesterday's live workshop. That's at 100,000 likes. See what it tends to all the people that missed out on my live streams is like, John's on. John gives away free stuff. I like John's live streams. This is the best live stream. Every 10,000 likes, we get dope shit. We got like books and guides and courses and all that. So it's like, this is great. I like this live stream stranger on the internet. We have a good audience tonight. Everyone wants to learn AI. We're all going to be learning and growing together. Saturday is going to be a great workshop. And if you don't want, like, Saturday's too busy, join the academy. Basically, the academy tomorrow we're going to be vibe coding. So I think this week we're going to be doing basically digital marketing with TikTok, like live streams and content. Then we're going to go into Claude and vibe coding for sure. We'll also go into Copilot, a co-work again too, which is great. 80,000 likes, 80,000 likes, 80,000 likes. Give the people what they want. Give the people what they want. This is a GenSpark complete tutorial. So this is step 1. This has everything you could want to know about GenSpark. Everything. And then I still have 2 more prizes to give you guys before we get there. 2 more prizes. Can he go? Okay, and then if you guys haven't got it already, just because we have a few new people on the live stream, if you haven't gotten the Claude Code and the OpenClaw workbook, these are free. We want to take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. These are 2 books for free that teach you everything about Claude Code and OpenClaw. Those are there. Then we're going to rapid fire. This is a complete GenSpark course. Everything you want to know about GenSpark, take a screenshot, because GenSpark and Claude are the top 2 AI tools that you need to crush it this year. Wow, this thing's always, there's a ton of really goodies. Like the stuff that's in here is like, look at all this stuff. I'm going to teach you how to do AI sheets, how to do AI slides. So pretty much automate your presentations, automate your Excel. You can do vibe coding. You can build with AI agents. You get unlimited images. Well, you get unlimited images inside GenSpark, which is actually really dope. You get the GenSpark browser, the tools and integration, the Spark pages, the productivity tips using Alfred. 90,000. That's interesting. I wonder if there's like a delay, because I see 87,000. I know you guys are coming in like hot, so it's like, oh, moving fast, moving fast, moving fast, moving fast, moving fast. So if I'm going to give you guys the workbook and that, because we're also closing in, let me just get that kind of ready, because, well, let me rapid fire and give you guys some more goodies. Let me go, actually, promise you, 100K is loaded. You guys, Jazz is like, what's going on? You guys are going crazy. Okay, so let me get real quick the course from yesterday. So YouTube, I'm gonna get the link. I gotta do this off screen real quick. And I know I'm just skipping at this point, but might as well just, I'm still going to give you more right now, but I'm going to skip to the 100K, and then I'm going to work backwards to the other ones, because I owe you 3 gifts plus the 100K and the link for Saturday. That's what I'm working on right now. This is going to be the Saturday link for Saturday's workshop that you guys are getting. So if you miss Saturday's workshop, we charge for this. Like, you are getting this for free because you are on this live stream, and you're participating. To hit that like button to participate, so everyone wins. It's like everyone doing their part. You guys remember, like, what was Starship Troopers? And it's like, do your part. And they're like squishing bugs. That's what I think about. So I gotta go to my library, because it is a unlisted video. And I'm gonna give you guys the workbook too. 5K to Mo. He's like, I don't know. Shit. I'm gonna give that and that. Okay, so here's the link. Let's get the shareable link. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. Okay, this is Saturday Claude Code Build a Website. There. Okay, and then I'm gonna get the workbook. So let me get the workbook. I'm gonna share my screen in a moment, because you guys are 1,000 likes away. What gets us I gotta shut it down after 100,000 likes. I'm gonna end up giving away a pink slip at 200,000 likes. I mean, last time we gave away a $5,000 Alex Hermosi kit for 100,000 likes. So my prizes, my people know my prizes, I change them up, and my prizes are good. Things are good. Things are good. God blesses all of us. Like, it's just blessings. I'm just sharing blessings. You guys are blessing me. I'm blessing you with free gifts. Let me get the link to the workbook right now. This is Claude. And then you guys will be able to take a screenshot. Alani's like, dang, I missed out a bunch. just at least get the workbook. I'm going to share a screenshot for the workbook. At least just get that. Then once you're on the email list, you'll be all emailed for the new stuff. Is this Claude? Is this the... This wasn't Saturday because Saturdays was gold. So Saturday's workshop was gold. Saturday masterclass. Yep, this is it. Claude Code Masterclass Workbook website. How to build a website. How to build website. Okay, so this is the workbook, and then this is also the course that was from last week. And then I'm gonna show you guys the free book if you guys haven't gotten the free book. So I'll show the free book first, and then I'm creating link shorteners. So that's what's taking so long, is I can't give you guys like a huge link. It's like, okay, this is a workbook. Okay, copy. And then, okay, I got it. Perfect. You guys ready? Congratulations, each and every one of you. You guys hit 100,000 likes. Teamwork. Let's get the sound effect and... Because you guys crushed it. You guys worked together to get 100,000 likes. If you're brand new here, I give away a free AI gift every 10,000 likes. We've given away free books. We've given away $5,000 Alex Hermosi's Masterclass book library. We've given away Maria Wendon's Business Masterclass. We've also given away Claude Code courses. We've given away Claude workbooks. We've given away OpenClaw workbooks. All of these things we've been giving away for the last 2 hours, all for free. So I'm going to show you two gifts. One is going to be the workbook, but really what you want is the second thing, which is a screenshot, so that you could take a screenshot of the 100,000 prize, which is 2 links. One is going to be for the Claude workshop from yesterday. Then I am also giving you the workbook that was also included with yesterday's. You guys ready? You guys are hungry for the likes. You guys earned it. You guys earned it. You guys earned it for hitting that like button. Here you guys go. Get ready to take a screenshot. Okay, first is the workbook, or this is if you're just coming brand new and you haven't gotten these already, get these first. This is the first ones you want to get. So get that, and then I'm going to show you guys the class for last Saturday next. So step 1, just for some people that are new, they haven't gotten the workbook, so take a screenshot, put a yes in the chat if you got it. This is just part 1 of 2, which you guys want is part 2, which I'm going to show next. Everyone got it? Yes. Casa Joy, Ariel, Alani, yes, perfect. So this is the next step right here. Here, hold on, let me... There you go. I will hold still. Take a screenshot. This is your 100,000 like prize. 100,000 likes won the Claude Code Build a Website workshop that we hosted last Saturday for 2 hours. Then you get the Claude Code workbook, all 100% free. And then this has the workbook with basically everything. Once you got it, say yes. Put a yes in the chat once you got it. Yes in the chat once you got it. I want to make sure everyone gets it. We won't leave anyone behind. Steph has it. Michael has it. Too Soon has it. Liz has it. Colin has it. Jazz has it. Hot Sauce has it. Amar has it. Got the screenshot. All right, looking good. Looking good. Congratulations, everyone. Congratulations. Let me actually show you the workbook. The actual workbook's actually really dope. I'm actually going to show you that because I actually create more workbooks. It's kind of crazy. This is the one. It has the gold font. This is what you got. This is for free. This was based on the workshop, so here's the kind of interesting thing. The last workshop that we did last Saturday was like 2 hours. I compressed it down to 2 hours. There is 3 times more information in the workbook. So the workbook covers 4 hours of training on how to vibe code all the things you want to vibe. So I basically took, because I've been teaching this class for like almost 4 weeks. So I've done it like 10 times. So I have all the transcripts. That's what I used to create the workbook. I took all my transcripts from basically how I've created all that. Videos unavailable? Oh no, hold on, oh no, no, no. Wait, hold on, wait. Hold on, let me fix that. Video, oh no, hold on, video's unavailable. Video's unavailable. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Place it with my web. No, the video's fine. Incredible. No, video's fine. Let me show you guys the other link here. Maybe this is better. I think it's the link. Hold on. Let me get you guys. I used the short link. Maybe this is better. Hold on. I'm like, I don't like it when people are like, I want to make sure you guys get it. Okay, cool. Let me take a screenshot. Here you guys go. Yeah, nice. I want to make sure it works too. It says unavailable. Maybe this one. Try this one. Do this screenshot. This is the full URL because I did the short link for the video. I can see the video on my side. Okay, nice. It's basically unlisted, so it should work. It's on YouTube. Nice. Take a screenshot. Don't worry, I'm patient. I want to make sure everyone gets the video because I need you guys to learn AI. Like, I need you guys to learn AI, seriously. Everyone got it? Nice. Help did not receive. How do you sign up for the email? As long as you sign up for, this is the link for the email. It will take 5 minutes, but after 5 minutes, it will go. Interesting. Still says unavailable. Okay, cool. Watch this. Because that's where it's like, that's the video right there. Unlisted, right? Where do you guys watching? That's interesting. Because watch, I'll copy that link, right? Let me know if there's a better way. Oh. Is there a share button? Will this work? Okay, maybe. I think, let's do this. You must have original. Okay, hold on. I have an idea. YT. Copy. Save. Okay, try this. I think it's when you copy it. Okay. Try that link. I'm trying it. Is it unlisted? It's unlisted. It's not private. And I'll show you the video in a moment. So try this. I put a link shortener. Maybe that will work a little better. Try that. And then if you guys got it, take a screenshot. Actually, let me get rid of that. Actually, there's no period. Cool. Because it's technically unlisted, right? I set it up right. Oh, that one works? Okay, cool. Sweet. Okay, sweet. Take a screenshot, everyone. Take a screenshot. We figured it out. I appreciate the feedback. That's what I want. Nice. Ah, the letters. Yeah. Oh, wait. Hold on. Let me move my mouse. Oops. Let me move my mouse. I think my mouse was in the way. That was it. Oops. Sorry. There we go. Screenshot, everyone. Good work. Teamwork, everyone. I want a 5-star review. That's why I was like, oh no, I'm gonna get that 5-star review. My battery is literally gonna die right now. Like, my battery is literally dying. Awesome. I think we'll pause there. That's a good pause. Everyone got the link? Put a no in the chat if you did not get the workbook or the link to this was the course. So basically I had the 2 books from Claude, and then this is the class and the workbook. If you didn't get those, put a no in the chat. Everyone else, I think you guys got it. So forget it. The 200K at 200 likes, I will show that next one. Nana, welcome. Nana, get ready to take a screenshot. I'm going to show it in a moment. When are the Alex Ramosi one? I'm going to give away at 200,000 likes next time. And so, NYC Clarity, I will show the link in a moment. I'm just seeing like how many people queue it up. So study buddies, anyone? Join the community. So here's another thing I'm thinking about doing for the community because I have a lot of members here anyways. I'll show the link in a moment too. So I'm just accumulating to make sure we got everyone to get ready to take a screenshot in 30 seconds. So I'm thinking about moving over to or adding Slack as part of the community like discourse so that members can talk and chat basically on Slack. So something I'm playing with in my head because I want more members to converse. Yeah, it's basically because then you could do study groups, you can do focus groups, You can do after like late night, like virtual co-working. You can also collaborate around tools, goals, hackathons. We just can't do it in Circle. Circle just does not facilitate that as a platform. So I've taken a lot of feedback and I'm like, I think that's the best. We tried Discourse and people were recommending WhatsApp and I'm like, no, I'm going to do Slack. So I think we're going to do Slack as part of the membership. It will be included. There's no extra charge as part of the community membership. It will be 100% included. But I think we'll be adding Slack to the work that way because we want more member collaboration. So that would be launching this week in the community. Member, just join, link in bio, takes you at the very top bar. It says Academy. Even when you fill out the form on the thank you page, the membership is free 7-day trial and then $97 a month after that. You get 3, 6, 9, 12 live classes Tuesday through Thursday, every single week. Fridays are office hours every single week. And then we have 30 courses on everything. Everything's ordered from complete beginner if you've never used AI all the way to advanced. I have the full curriculum. Actually, let me show you guys just a quick little tour because we do have some members that actually just joined. So you get a free full access 7-day trial to the community where number one, where do we have, how many? We're at 180. We're at 180 people. Do you know how many people 180 is? Plus also, not gonna lie, there's a way that you can also see members in your city. So we have members that are like the app facilitates, you can see all the people within 100 miles of yourself. I mean, you could disable it if you want privacy, no problem. But like we have members that like meet up regularly because we're global. We're in every major city. We're almost on every continent. We're so close. We're so close. But then we have, I mean, there's tons of courses. If you want, we've covered everything in courses. Jazz is like, I'm in it. We have people in Singapore that just joined yesterday. We have people in Brazil, Mexico. We have Canada. We have the UK. We have Australia. We have India as well too. We also have, I think of all the continents. We have a ton of people in Chicago actually too. And then so we got tons of courses, but the courses, I made it so easy. There's levels. Just go through the levels. What do you think about anti-gravity? Nice to meet you, IMPULS. Nice to meet you. I would highly recommend try Claude Code. Dump anti-gravity and try Claude Code, and he's going to build all the things that you want to build. And then for everyone else, you could go through, I have my AI fundamentals. Sorry, I'm getting you guys battery. And then these are the levels. And in each level, I don't think we have anyone from South Africa yet. Yet is what I say. We will be global. Like, we are a movement. We're celebrating our 1-year anniversary pretty soon. So this goes through, like, all the basics. Like, even Apple basics, time management. Ooh, actually, we have some people in Spain. I would love like Brazil and like, like low key. Low key, I am traveling this year and meeting community members in major cities. Like I am going on tour. Like this live streaming is just part one. I've already did the first year of Survive. So now we have members in all major cities. So now I'm going to go on tour and go meet up members in major cities and host events and work at hackathons. And so we have a lot of very exciting things. And then I think the Slack is going to be a lot of members will be able to communicate. We'll have a jobs board so members can share jobs between each other because some people are tech savvy, some people have the opportunities, and you can partner together and split the deals basically. What can we do? Please explain this. This is all sharing in my AI family, AI community. It's really amazing. It's 180 amazing human beings. And we all just share and help each other. Because that's like low key, like community side. It's because of my values that I constantly give, as you can see, is that carries over into the community. So a lot of the members partake in my values of giving, sharing, helping. And so we have a resource for software development, for real estate, for all sorts of industries, so for marketing. It's an amazing family. So what is the Claude coding? Ooh, Mr. B, there's a ton. I really want to. Mr. B, make sure everyone, this is all you need. Just make sure you get this screenshot. That's all that matters to me right now. Get that screenshot. You guys earned it. You guys all ran a marathon of likes. I mean, someone probably broke their phone, tapped their screen. Is it like Microsoft Copilot? We don't consider Copilot AI. We'll consider Claude and Gemini good. Gemini's great for free. This is for free, a full Claude code course. And if you want to join, I would love to have you part of the community. So when you go to the community, it's just right here, Academy. And then from the Academy, you get a free 7-day trial, full access to everything. And then you also get, I know, there's more. I took it away from here, but I'm still honoring it. You get a free 1-hour one-on-one session with me. I took it off the website, but I'm still honoring it because I still want to meet. I love meeting my members, not gonna lie. Like, I love meeting my members. You guys are nerds. You guys love automations. You guys want to do some dope stuff. You have super interesting businesses. And if I can help with marketing automation to buy you back time so you can do more and help accomplish your goals, I get to meet my joy and my passion. So I get to wake up every day and serve entrepreneurs and professionals with AI and tech skills, hence my company, Simple Tech Skills. That's such a cheesy name. It's like nothing what we do is simple. Everything is like, we vibe coded a whole app. And they're like, that's not easy. So this is all just to keep you guys up to date with AI. All the free stuff is on my YouTube channel. Tons and tons of stuff. The community is $97 a month for AI education and training so that you can stay up to date with AI from me. So if you find that I share a little more tips about AI and you want more, at the end of the day, I will help you make more money. Is that really not considered? I mean, it's actually easy when you get into it. Like, people are like using GenSpark, or like, it's easy. Claude becomes easy once you learn the workflows. Life is easy. You're like, oh, that job that would take 4 hours, done, 10 minutes. Oh, I got to build a website and that would take a couple weeks, 30 minutes, GenSpark or Claude. So it's teaching the different tools so that you get comfortable with them, so that you can compress time and get more work done in a day than most do in a week. It's a really great opportunity today to spend with AI. But congratulations to everyone. We had a marathon today. Great to meet each and every one of you. We're going to take a break right there. I hope you each have a wonderful, blessed night. I'm Dr. AI. Blessed to meet each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you guys in my community. We have classes starting tomorrow inside the community. If you're not in the community, join me this Saturday for my Claude Code workshop in 1 day, where in 4 hours you will know everything you need to vibe code your own website. If you're on my email list, you guys got the 50% discount for tickets. Congratulations. I will see each of you on Saturday. Lizette, I'm going to respond to your email. Take care of each and every one of you. Have a wonderful night, everyone. I will see you tomorrow. Bye. And for everyone on YouTube,